Buddy, welcome back to another live stream. Thanks for everybody coming in super early. We got a lot of interesting stuff to talk about pre-market. I do have some ideas of what I've been looking at over the weekend. One of them just kind of hit me. I saw some things popped up. Some things have been holding up really nicely, have earnings coming up. So I've got some ideas. Again, we're probably going to mess around with SPY again today. We're seeing the overall market, S&P 500, up 0.4% right now. But when you take a look at a lot of the individual names, like the growth companies right now, a lot of them are taking a little bit of a beating, meaning these companies, Lowe's, Target, Home Depot, Walmart, FedEx, UPS, a lot of those other more value plays could get a little bit of a boost. I know Home Depot just got a little bit of a bump. So I'm going to be looking into those a little bit today. Little bit of a price target bump, but like we've got an interesting week ahead. How are we doing, people? Ho, Goonies for life, STV in the house, Trey's mustache. What's going on? How's everybody doing today? Everybody have a good weekend. Let's have a good trading week. We are going to be live a lot. So live stream today, we're probably going to go till 11:45, and then we're going to come back on at 2 p.m. Eastern. And then we'll get a night video. But we got to go over what we talked about in the video yesterday too. Goldman levered up 133 to 1. That's ridiculous. I was talking to some people who, have been in the finance industry for a long time about, hey, what is this? How can they be levered up 133 to 1 on these swaps? Because that's really what the bulk of those positions are. Now, they could be the counterparty to a lot of these swap transactions. And they were drawing a similarity to like kind of what was going on in 08. So they're going to hedge those positions like that $183 worth of $83 trillion worth of derivatives. They're all going to be hedged for. But it's still not good. Even if you've hedged for them, well, if you have a riskless position, well, you're not really doing much. But if you are directional at all, even if you're levered up that much, the small percentage moves, if the position still goes down against you, even if you're hedged, it's still a big loss. Let's see. Thoughts on put plays for Hood this week? We can take a look at Hood quickly. And we got to go over Ortex. The Ortex, oh, God. Man. It's so tempting just to buy so many puts on Robinhood just to say, screw you. TLT getting a little pop here. We're going to have TLT up again today. Remember, that is going to be tracking bond yields, which is going to be basically telling us what the flow of money is doing. So it really gives us a good understanding of like the uncertainty and kind of fear that's happening in the market right now. Let's do a quick Ortex update. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about the new Ortex. Let's see. All right. So we've got utilization at 76.11. And then we have the estimated short interest, 17.5. It's not up very much, but hold on. I thought the days to cover it's from the week of. That's not what we want. We want this to, can we do this? Or we got to do this. We got to make it really small. There we go. Okay, so the days to cover on Friday, December 3rd, 2.03. So the days to cover is still increasing. So the increase in volume that we've seen has not been enough to counteract the new shorts coming into the market. We also should be getting exchange reported short interest any day now. Let's see. Yeah, it should be Thursday. I think we're going to get the new exchange reported numbers. So that's going to be interesting to take a look at. Why is this glitching out here? Dun, dun, dun. All right. AMC NFT shareholder dividend. Yeah. No. Not a dividend. Yeah. So it's just a new NFT that he's giving to shareholders. So again, he's creating that track record of showing that these NFTs are a part of AMC's business model. Very, very good for AMC in the future to be able to prove that this is a part of their business model. Now, AMC right now down 4.24% in the pre-market. S&P is up. What's QQQ doing? QQQ is slightly red. IWM probably a little red. Actually, IWM is green right now. Interesting. All right, let's take a look at GME. How are we doing over here? GME down 4.5 right now. Morning VIX and apes. What's up, Ruben? How you doing? Oh, what's up, Aria? How you doing? I need you to get a nice, pretty Fighting Irish hoodie. Guess what? That's not going to happen because the UConn women's basketball team just beat Notre Dame. So, sorry, can't happen. Sorry. Yeah, I really like um those plays we were talking about, but what's up, Gringo? How you doing? Good morning, everybody. There's a lot of people in the red. All of my investments have gone red in the last few weeks, and they were all green. AMC, no different. Exactly. Like the overall market's just it's having a little bit of like not a disaster, but it's just struggling. Now, we're gonna see volatility going into the Fed meeting on the 14th and the 15th. So that's the next FOMC meeting. That's when we're gonna get just statements from Powell. The thing that everybody is going to be looking out for is that the market has already started to price in an acceleration of the tapering of asset purchases. The wild card is by how much? How much are they going to speed it up? So if it's going to be, I don't know, they're going to speed it up so we finish a month early. That's not that big of a deal. If it's going to be like 3 months early, then the market's going to be like, whoa, whoa, whoa. That means we can raise rates sooner. We got to price in the rate increase. We're gonna have to watch what happens on the dot plot as well, which is basically gonna tell us like what the members of the Fed are looking at for when they're gonna increase interest rates or make an interest rate change. What do you think of SPY today? I mean, I think we're gonna just bounce around. I mean, we're green right now. I think we could see a little bit of volatility as the market opens, depending on the news that we get and what bond yields do. I think we could do another day of just it goes up and then it just falls for the rest of the day. But we'll see. We will have to see. I know there's new variant concerns again. I mean, they just need to like honestly, I just want them to shut up. Like I hate to say that, but like shut up media. Like they're just blowing this out of proportion, it looks like. When you have all of like the people that last time were like blowing everything out of proportion with like the original one, and then they come out and say now they're like, yeah, it's not that big of a deal. Like we're good. And then all the media outlets are like they'll like just like frame it in a way that's spreading fear, and then the market starts to react off of that, and they're like, "Oh, shutdowns." No. No, no, no. Good morning, all. Nice interview with Tony yesterday. Thank you. Has anyone noticed that we bounce off RRP pretty much every day? Yeah, when the reverse repo comes in, we do have a little bit of a bounce. That comes out at 115. AMC trying to get a little bit of a push here, down just under 4% now. SPY trying to come back up. GME down 4.56. If you guys don't mind, also just dropping some likes on the stream just helps get some more people in here. We're gonna be live for a while today. We've got about 37 minutes till the market opens. It's going to be another volatile week. This week and next week, expect the volatility. Now, if you are trading, the volatility is great. If you're holding AMC and a couple of these other stocks that could get affected by this volatility, I mean, it's not great in the short term, but nothing's changed in my mind for what we could see going over the next couple of months. I still really like January. I still think we could easily see that double buy with the market makers hedging. I think we've really already seen the effect of that double selling. With these puts running in the money, the calls running out of the money. And I just think as we start to come back up, well, there's going to be more calls at a lower level. So the double buying is going to be even more aggressive. And with the shorts coming in at these lower levels, like what we said in the past, how the price was here, it comes down here. Well, they short it all the way from here to here. There's more short interest. We could start that next move up with more shorts to cover, but just at a little bit of a lower price. STV, what's AMC's Ortex? We have, let's do a little quick refresh here. We got 17.5% short interest, utilization 76. Very interesting. I was expecting to see utilization pop up a little bit more today. Let's see if let's see if it jumps over the course of the beginning of this week. Let's see. Holding all the way. Thank you. There you go, Barney. I'm doing good. My cost average is 1843 because I've been buying since February. Just still shaky to me is all. Just wanted to know if MOAS is still on the table. I mean, yeah, shorts haven't covered. And think about this. Think about this. The previous run, the January run, let's go back here. The January run, let's see, the 15th and the 29th. Those are the two exchange reported short interest numbers before the big run up. Okay, exchange reported short interest 8.71, January 7.35. We ran from 2 to 25, and now the short interest is on the exchange is 17. Come on now. It's just the potential for more aggressive price moves. Like when people are like, you're just buying synthetics, they're still shorting. It's like, okay, awesome. Like I'll take, like Tony and I were saying last night, like I'll buy as many of those as I possibly can, because if I'm holding them, they have to buy them back at some point. At some point, they have to close them out. So if we end up holding more of them, well, the price movements to the upside could be that much more aggressive, and we could go even higher. So the longer it takes, the more the shorts keep piling in, the higher the more potential this situation has to go even crazier. Lost so much money in crypto this weekend. Yeah, crypto was wild. There also is that correlation with crypto selling off, and then over the next couple of weeks, AMC and GME and a couple of these other stocks having a bounce. So let's see if that plays out like we've seen it in the past, but who knows? I mean, I think I still really like January. Haha, hedgy bum still trying to scare paper hated AMC holders. Yeah. You don't lose until you sell 100%. Let's see. All right, let's go over some of the stuff that we were talking about with this over leveraging because it's absolutely drunk. So, also, guys, I like really aggressively still need a haircut. I actually might try to go get one today after the market closes and after I'm done with work, because like this is too much. Fun fact though, the lady that was cutting my hair is like a wild conspiracy theorist. And it's not like fun conspiracies, it's like scary conspiracies. So I'm just sitting there getting my hair cut, and she's just like yap, 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 just going off about these conspiracy theories about like 5G. And like, I'm like, lady, like I'm tired right now. Like I'm down to like mess around and like play devil's advocate with these conspiracy theories that you're going over right now. But this is just not what I want to do. But on a more serious note, this is absolutely insane right here. So the notional amounts of derivatives contracts, top 25 commercial banks, savings associations, and trust companies in derivatives. This is as of June 30th. We've gone over this since July. Here's the thing though, we're about to get the new numbers. That's why I brought this up yesterday. So the total commercial banks, savings associations, and trust companies with derivatives, the total amount of derivative exposure is 183 trillion. That's crazy. Now, the total assets of all these banks is about 20 trillion. So that's about a 9x leverage level on average. But Goldman's is like between 130 and 140x right now. That's insane. So they're holding about $351 billion worth of assets, but have a total derivative exposure of 47 trillion. What? That is insane. JP Morgan's at the top with 53 trillion, but they also have 3.1 trillion in assets. All right. Then we have Citibank with 43 trillion, Bank of America 18 trillion, Wells Fargo 10 trillion, State Street 2 trillion. Like this is just insane. Morgan Stanley actually has decent leverage levels here. But when you look at this and you know that phase 5 UMR is already in effect, the new numbers that we're going to be receiving won't necessarily like show the new effect, because we need to get Q3 numbers. And we'll kind of see, because phase 5 UMR came in September, October, November, December. Yeah, so we won't see phase 5 UMR really affecting these next numbers, because that was the one where they're increasing the volume of margin calls on positions exactly like this. And they need to have that third party to keep safe collateral. So we're going to get Q3, but then we need to wait on Q4. Now, if these numbers go up to 200 trillion, which if you look at 2008, the number was, I believe the total amount of exposure was in the $180 trillion range. So you do kind of have to account for like inflation and some other variables as well. But if it cracks 200 trillion, that's insane. Like that is really, really insane. Smash the like. Thank you, Captain. Appreciate it, man. Haircut lady, I'm done. Stop. Stop. All right. AMC down 3.5 right now in the pre-market. SPY coming up. All right. It could be an interesting day on the SPY. We're at 455.56. It is a zero data expiration day. Could be some fun. All righty. Can't wait for my NFT. There you go. US market regulars are moving like Casper. Yeah. Everything is about to go down. I mean, not with bonds the way they're moving right now. What's the 10-year doing today? Last time I checked. Okay, so it is up right now. So that could be decent. Could be a little bit of an upside day on some of these stocks. All righty. Volume is nice. I mean, AMC's volume right now, 487,000. SPY coming back down. GME down 4.17-ish. All righty. Good morning, STV and Apes from Bretton Woods, New Hampshire. What's going on, Paul? Thanks for the positive input, STV. I'm not selling, just wanted some insight. I'm cool. There you go. Yeah, so I mean, with these levels at AMC, I think TMI has like coined this where we're at like the launch zone in the past. Like we're at those levels where it's attractive for shorts to start maybe starting to trim some of their positions, and it's also very attractive for apes to start piling in. And if those two things happen, the option chain is going to turbocharge what's going on. We've seen it kind of turbocharge us to the way down. Now let's see what the effect is going to be on the way up. When you think about markets and what happens when it sells off, and when it goes up, well, when the markets are going up, well, people might be buying, but they're going to space out their buy orders. They're going to be like, buy here, buy here, buy here. So maybe if they want to buy 100 shares of something, they'll do it in 10 share increments over, I don't know, maybe a week, a day, depending on what it is. But if the markets are red, you're going to like people are going to like psychologically, you're going to sell more of your position. I forget where I saw this. This is a really good point. Honestly, it might have been on TikTok. But it makes a whole lot of sense when markets are red and people get scared and that emotion starts to really play into effect. Well, people are going to sell more than when they would be buying on the way up. Oh, actually, maybe it was Matt's video. It might have been Matt's video I saw this in. That might have been it. I think that's what it might have been. Sometimes I watch things and I don't know where they come from. Lucid down 14%. Oh, these energy drinks are so good. I'm also really tired today. I was up very, very late on Saturday, and I did not get a lot of sleep. So we're going to catch up. It's going into finals week. Who cares? It's fine. Whatever. Has anyone from the UK managed to log into Investor Connect? Yeah, I'm from Connecticut. So let's see what Max Payne's at for this week. Max Payne this week right now, 32. That makes a lot of sense with people piling into these lower strikes. So here's what's happening. So Max Payne for this week, do you see how a lot of these contracts are depreciating in value right here? So down 19%, 16%, 19%. These contracts now are pretty cheap. So people could be gambling on these 31 through 36s now, but previously they would be doing that on the 41 through 46. So if you're going to have a lot more open interest, I mean, there's not really a crazy amount of open interest on these, but it's going to be more than it would have been previously if these contracts were more in the money. So in order to get these contracts out of the money, and if there's less put open interest, which at this point, a lot of the puts have probably already been closed out or exercised because the stock has fallen a significant amount. Well, in order for them to not have that exposure on the calls, the Max Payne will start to slide down. $2,000 returned shares, 322,000 borrowed. AMC coming back down to VWAP in the pre-market, down 4.3. GME down 3.66, coming back up. Let's see how this goes. SPY. All right. All righty. We'll never have such good deals again. There you go. Yeah, finals week. That's not this week, it's next week, but I know I have like an assignment to do for accounting. Oh, I have to do a bunch of stuff for bio and then I have to write an essay. I think that's it. I honestly think that's it. If there's something else I got to do, I guess I'll do it, but I don't know, man. Just joined. Are we going to see big red on AMC again? My heart is aching for our stock. It's possible we could see a little bit of red, but I don't think it would be that insane. Why is it dropping so much? Just overall market weakness. Like that's kind of what we're seeing. We need to see the buyers come back in. Like we're seeing a lot of volatility on AMC. I think the buyers could come back in the at the start of the market open today. I mean, S&P's holding up right now. Bond yields are up a decent amount today, so we could see a little bit of bullish momentum just because of this. So let's see what happens. Mask Gang, what's up, people? How are we doing? Want us to call you a Wambulance? M. Kriegs. Yes, I do. That's exactly what I need. I need the Wambulance to come in. It's exactly what I need. What's up, Rhode Island? What's going on, TMI's box? How are we doing today, everybody? All righty. Let's see. Is it true that hedge funds can only manipulate the price by spreading bad news, or can they actually technically get the price down? Yeah, they can. They can. What they're doing, and what they've done this past week, most likely, these past 2 weeks, is if they're not flooding the market with supply, they're strategically entering short positions around where the option chain has a lot of open interest on like calls and puts. Because what happens then is that, let's say we went over this yesterday. Let's say if right now the close, like AMC was trading at 29.01. Well, let's say there's also a lot of put and call open interest at that specific price. So if they can get the price down below 29, well, the market maker's algorithm or any option seller's algorithm is going to come in and essentially just say, we have to unhedge the calls a certain amount, meaning sell some shares. We also have to hedge some more puts, meaning short some shares. So they're basically shorting whatever they can, and then basically trying to push the stock in a direction so that as it flows through these strike prices, they know that the market makers and any option sellers are going to have to sell as well. Let's see. Oh, what's up, Masking? How are you? Always streaming every day during market open? Yes. So I am live 8:45 to about 11:30 to 12, depending on the day. Some days I gotta cut it at 10:30 because I got class. Yeah, but then we come back on at 2. So we'll come back on at 2 today and hang out with everybody. But GME getting some bullish momentum here. AMC kind of hanging out. SPY just doing the exact same thing. We got about 22 minutes till the market opens. Let's have some fun, people. For all you guys new coming in here, what's up, Mask Gang? Hit the like. Thank you, Jason Sanders. Yeah, if you guys don't mind, just dropping some likes on the stream. Helps get some more people in here. Let's have a good day today. If you look, I mean, I have an idea of what I want. Yeah. I'm going to be looking at Home Depot, Lowe's, Target, Walmart, FedEx, UPS. Those are the stocks that I'm going to be looking at. See if I can find a deal. I know some of them have earnings coming up. Throw a little bit of money into it and get back on that earning strategy. And then also, obviously, we're probably going to mess around with SPY too, because that's what we do around here. How's Prague doing in the pre-market? Prague's been having some weak days. Yeah. Prague down a significant amount over the last couple of weeks, down 13 on Friday, down 6.78 in the pre-market today. I would not be surprised if Prague's Ortex data gets absolutely jacked up again. So let's take a look at Prague very quickly. How do we even navigate this now? Is it up here? Hold on. Where do we do this? How do you even use this thing? Is it this? Yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah. So Prague's estimated short interest is coming back up. Utilization still very high. Cost to borrow still very high as well. With all the selling volume that we've seen in Prague, a lot of that is going to be shorting. So let's see what happens with Prague. AMC coming back up a little bit right now. SPY doing the same thing. Let's see what happens. Check your Twitter feed. What's up with my Twitter feed? Like my notifications? That's going to be tough. AMC announces a second NFT. This is an unusual whales tweet. And I own AMC NFT. All self-identified AMC shareholders who are members of AMC Investor Connect and those who enroll by December 30. Oh, this is really interesting. You know what this looks like? It looks like it's framed as an ex-dividend. It's framed as, oh, this is interesting. It's getting framed as a dividend. It's not a dividend, but the way that they're talking about it is how they would frame it if it was a dividend. All AMC shareholders who are members of AMC Investor Connect and those who enroll by December 31st will get the NFT for free. That's like the ex-dividend date. It's not actually a dividend. It's not really going to have that type of an effect, but that's interesting. So what they're doing is they're setting up that track record. Let's see what happens. I mean, the thing is that let's say within 6 or 7 months, AMC will be able to offer one of those dividends, most likely. That's what they've said in the past. But let's see. Tony has a really good idea about AMC Popcoin and how that can really help AMC ditch their debt, really pay it off. SPY having a little bit of a day right now. TLT is down, but it's coming. What are bond yields doing right now? Chilling out a little bit. I don't know. This could be interesting. Looks like a dry run. Exactly. Exactly. All right, SPY having a little bit of fun here. Let's see what happens. All right. They've been setting it up for the future. I agree. Okay. AMC down 3.3. SPY is coming up right now into the market open. I don't know. Today might be a SPY call day. Today might be a SPY put day. Today might be a day where we don't do anything and I just look at those other plays. HD, Home Depot, Lowe's, Target, all of those. SCV, I send you stuff. Took small positions in MKD, VYNE, HYMC. And looking at PFIE, MCREES. I will take a look at that. I think I saw it come through. I just haven't had the time yet to read through it. But thank you. I will take a look at that. Why are some AMC YouTubers still promoting Webull? I don't think anybody is. Who's promoting Webull? Everyone should download AMC Theaters app and become an A-list member. Yep. SPY coming up here. This could get interesting. Uh-oh. Here we go. All right. Prague selling. How's GME doing right now? Did they get down? Yeah. All right. GME coming up as well. GME getting a nice pop here, down 2.66. All right. This could be a fun day. Zip Trader does? Yeah, but he that's a little bit different. He's not in like he's not like really like solely AMC. I mean, yeah, do I think people should be promoting these brokerages? Not really, but I mean, everybody's going to do what they want to do at the end of the day. Sub STV, what's going on, Nathan? How you doing? All righty. We got about 17 minutes till the market opens. We are seeing a little bit of strength right here out of everything coming in. Let's see what happens. I mean, I still expect to see volatility going into that Fed meeting, but I don't know. It's looking interesting. It's looking really interesting. All right. AMC did touch 26.51 in the pre-market. That was some big red candle, but we are at right now 27.97. Let's see if we can get a pushback above 30 today. I think that would be very, very a really good sign of strength if we were able to push above 30 and hold. Yeah. Also, here's the other thing about Public. Public has done a very, very interesting thing with payment for order flow. They put out an article that said, since we have gone away from using payment for order flow, the execution prices for our customers has gotten better. Meaning that all of these arguments being made by Citadel, Virtue, all of these big market makers that payment for order flow is getting the best price execution for any brokerage and customers, retail traders using it is wrong. You're incorrect. So the SEC has been investigating this. I mean, they've said that the payment for order flow ban is on the table. SPY popping right now. That's good. Um, so now that we have that data out there with actual data points, the SEC is going to look at that and be able to use that in determining whether or not they want to ban payment for order flow in the future. Do I think it's going to happen in the United States? Absolutely. Is it going to happen anytime soon? I don't know. These things are going to take a lot of time. Morning STV. Any big Amy Ortex changes? Not really. We're at let me see if I can go back here. This new Ortex is messing with my brain a little bit, but I'll get used to it. And then you come down here and then you click over here on short interest and it got it. 17.52% estimated short interest. Utilization dropped a little bit. I believe it was at 77.66, but it is trending up. We do have days to cover at 2.03, and that is up from 2.01. So that's a good thing to see. Eric just signed up for Investor Connect. Let's get this NFT dry run action going. Yep. Isn't the public the same broker as Trade Republic? I'm not sure. Somebody's mad. Avi is mad about the NFT. Why? Why? I mean, this is going to take a lot of time for them to really set this up. They can't just do it. And we get one shot at it. So don't rush it. That's my thing. It's like if that is something that they want to do, and they want to eventually be able to pay out a dividend in a way that is going to be kind of trapping shorts, well, then I want them to do it correctly and I want them to take as much time as they need. Because think about the implications of that happening. If they do it wrong, well, we'll run, but we won't run as high. So if they're going to do that, it needs to be done correctly, and I think Adam Aaron is doing his part on that. John, thank you so much for that big super. I really appreciate it, man. When Moon, I mean, when my thoughts on when we see the next big run up are over the next 2 months. Because of that dirty January option chain and kind of what we've seen with the price action, the addition of new shorts. But again, we don't necessarily know. Everything does line up in terms of like the quarterly, the option chain, things like that. But again, and we also have crypto selling off, which is correlated to AMC and GameStop runs in the past. But again, we can't necessarily use those metrics and look at things that have occurred in the past and guarantee that something's going to happen in the future. Does it look promising? Yes. Is it guaranteed going to happen? Not necessarily. Like not like I mean, I think we're gonna run to crazy high numbers eventually, but we don't necessarily know if it's going to for sure happen in December, January. Does it look good? Yeah. Could it not happen then and we just run a little bit like we saw back in September? Yeah. SPY is slowly making its way up right now, trying to get above 456. It is getting some bullish momentum today. Let's see what happens when the market opens. If we see the overall market start to pick up in the positive direction, we could see AMC and GameStop really start to get a nice pushback, which would be very, very nice to see. The only YouTuber that was on during the blank storm last week. Are you talking about me? That wasn't like people didn't want to come on. People had like it was just like a perfect storm of like people had other obligations that they needed to attend to, and I was the only one that was free. And I technically wasn't free. Like I skipped things. Let's see. AA became CEO in 2015 and was running AMC into the ground. Why are we praising him now? I mean, he was doing the best he could with the cards that he had and the tools that he had available to him. Now he has the tools. I mean, he's proven time and time again with the companies that he's run in the past that if he gets the ability to, like, if the stars align and he has the ability to make the company stronger, he will do it. 76ers. I think it was Norwegian Cruise Line. Like he's got a really good track record. I mean, SPY coming up right now. This could be a SPY call day. Let's see what happens. I'm going to be looking at again those Home Depot, Lowe's, Target, Walmart, all of them. Their earnings are in about a month and a half. So if I'm going to do anything, I'll do it very, very small to start. To see if we're going to get that little run up. But those companies, I've seen this a couple of times when we've gone through kind of what's been going on in the overall market. When the market's been tanking, those have stayed green. So they're holding up very, very nicely. Because you're a badass. No. Jazz Cabbage, there's no way to prove share ownership on Investor Connect. That's true. This is bullish, but not a proper way to get a share count. People shouldn't latch onto idea that it is. Yeah, I agree. There's no way to get like an accurate share count right now unless they did like an audit. People like to say recall, like do a share recall, and they say that like at Adam Aaron. Adam Aaron can't do a share recall. What share recalls do is it's between the lender of a security and the person taking the loan. So the recalls really have to do with like price movement. So if like let's just say Goldman Sachs, the largest prime broker out there right now, is loaning a lot of AMC, and they decide to do a share recall, well, they're going to force a lot of shorts to close their positions and give those shares back. That's what a share recall is. And again, quick fact about share recalls: when the utilization is above 75%, there's a 1 in 26 chance every single day, or about 1 in every 26 trading days, a share recall does occur. 10 minutes, says Bliss. 10 minutes till the market opens. Here we go. Let's have some fun, everybody. SPY is slowly making its way back up. 456.08. I don't know. It could be a SPY call day. Who knows, though? I mean, we're seeing it slowly start to come up. Let's see what happens with some orders that come in as the market opens. GME down 3.19, AMC down 3.76. Up the buyers could be back today. Let's see. Hit the like for STV, says Bliss. Thank you, Bliss. I appreciate it. It's a way to show short hedge funds the direction in which things are heading. Yeah. Yeah. So Fed meeting 14th to the 15th. Max Payne. How's the option chain looking for this week so far? Oof. All right. Wow. We've got right now. I'll pull this up really quickly. So we've got 8,000 calls in the money, 143,000 out of the money, 24,000 puts, 49,000 out of the money. But next week could be the double buy, a little bit of double buy, and then nothing, and then big action in January. Now, here's the interesting thing. Remember how we were talking about how a lot of those contracts are deep in the money? Well, the price movement to the downside on AMC really didn't affect a whole lot these in the money calls. Like it might have gone from like 140,000 in the money to 113,000 in the money. That's 4 million shares, but there's still 10 million that potentially could be hedged for. And on the puts, it greatly outweighs the puts. So even with that big sell-off, it didn't affect the net change or the net like hedging that the market makers would have to do in order to maintain that directionally neutral status, which is very, very good. I learned another thing. Thank you, Jazz Cabbage. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. CFVI, how's that doing? I've heard a couple of people talking about that. We were looking at it last week. CFVI up 16% in the pre-market, selling a little bit right now. Let's see what happens with this beast. Yeah, we'll pull that up back and forth throughout today. I think last week we were starting to talk about that. People were bringing it up. SPY coming down a little bit now at 455.97, just hovering around that 456 mark. AMC has been over 75% utilization for quite a while now. If it's a 1 in 26 chance, just wonder how many months we have left. So Daniel, so the 4 share recalls, I mean, or any kind of share recall, it doesn't necessarily have to be all of them. It could be like a smaller position. We don't necessarily know. That article or the research report is from a professor at Notre Dame. But again, that may not necessarily apply fully to the AMC situation because there's a lot of other moving parts. Maybe on AMC it's 95% or 96 or 98 that we would have to get to. And we've seen it in the past. Like once we get back up to those high utilization numbers, you're going to see me start talking about recalls because it puts a lot of pressure on these institutions to figure out exactly what to do with all these loans. There's nothing left. They're trying to get January off the table. They won't be able to because look, it would be almost impossible for them to do that. The open interest right now around the money is like nothing right here. But then at 22, it's 10,000, at 20, 25,000. And then deeper in the money, it's just 19,000 at 10. And then there's a lot down here in this 7 to 9 range. SPY pop. GME down 4.4. 3.43. AMC down 3.76. I think we could get a little bit of bullish action as the market opens. But again, another volatile day ahead of us. Is this the best the hedgies got? We were here on Friday. Nobody sold. All they were doing is giving away cheap shares to apes at this point. 100%. I definitely agree with that. We also got 5 minutes till the market opens. Let's have some fun. Q4 earnings is going to, yeah, Q4 earnings is going to be crazy, especially with Spider Man. AMC coming back up 2806. Remember, apes don't fight apes in public, please. Yeah. All right, hold on. I got to look at some things. So we got, I know when that has earnings. When do some of these other companies have earnings? Lowe's 118. All right, we'll take a look at this. These are going to be expensive, but we'll see what happens. All righty, SCV Shotgun the Red Bull. It's a Bang energy drink. I also have a little bit of liquid IV left, which I really should have prepared more for. But yeah, should have prepared. $20,000 loaded up if this hits 20. Says Jelly. There you go, boss. I mean, I don't see that happening really. I think the buyers would keep coming back in and propping this up unless we saw like the SPY hit that 200 MA, which I don't know. If they're going to start spreading fear, we could see overall market volatility and AMC keep coming down with it. But again, these buyers are stepping in. I think these large institutions are going to see any kind of dip, especially with AMC at these levels. And if they're already long, they're going to eat up this dip. News feed. What do we got? US won't send. Yeah, no. That's not important. Here we go. I heard Bitcoin is going to 10K. I don't know about that. That's a big drop. That's a big Bitcoin drop. All right, 3 minutes. SPY coming down a little bit. Let's see. We're probably going to mess around with SPY today. It is a 0 day to expiration day. Coming off a very volatile week. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a whipsaw move, catch it, get in and out, and not chase. That's going to be the goal for this week. Not chase, make stuff free, and just hold. Bitcoin to 10K? Stop. I don't think so. That's aggressive. That is very aggressive. I would say 20 would be the absolute bare minimum low, but I don't, who knows? I thought AMC would squeeze in June and in September. It's going down to 20 and below. It doesn't phase me, says Mark. There you go. I just became an AMC member, says David. There you go, boss. They will never reach those low January strike options that everybody bought last January. In fact, they're selling those to dump shares on the market. Yeah, they could. CNK is killing the game. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, they're just slightly less red than everything else. If anything's killing the game, AMC is killing the game. They're crushing it in terms of like fundamentals. Like AMC is gonna be like part of the reason that Spider-Man's gonna do so well. Like just putting that out there. Like the movie studios should thank AMC for utilizing their retail investor base and it like our community to really push these movies. AMC is my favorite crypto. Nice. All right, we got 2 minutes. Here we go. Before the market opens, if you guys don't mind, just dropping some likes on the stream. Just helps get some more people in here. Let's have some fun today. We're going to be watching SPY, AMC, GameStop, TLT as usual to look at those bond moves. I'm going to be looking for maybe a little bit of a short play on some of those more value plays, Home Depot, Lowe's, Target, Walmart. But they do have earnings coming up in the middle of January. So I might get a little bit of more time on them. But again, with volatility, with myself expecting volatility until the Fed meeting, I don't necessarily know. But again, we've seen those companies hold up very, very nicely in the times of right recently when the market has been selling off. So let's see. SCV, what are our SPY plays today? Hey, Ryan, you know what? Here's the thing. If anybody was like looking at the or like you're not supposed to do this, but if when I was saying that I was getting into SPY puts on Friday, if you just didn't listen to anything I said after that, you would have killed it. You would have done amazing. Don't listen to Ham today. I haven't seen Ham in here, but if he does come in, I'm not listening to Ham. I'm going to watch my indicators. I'm going to follow the strategy and just let it go. Ethan, thank you so much for that super. I really appreciate it, man. Any stream adjustments around finals to get ahead of FUD? Yeah, guys, if there's a day that I like can't stream, I'll let you guys know, but um I don't wanna see like, "STV's not streaming, you must have left." Guys, I have to, like, do school. But again, right after that, I'll be online, like, pretty much all the time. AMC getting a little bit of a boom boom candle as the market opens at 28.25 right now. SPY is coming up a little bit right now as well. Let's see what we got on these little indicators. SPY coming up, a little bit overextended. Let's see what happens. As we get into the market today. I mean, it's very, very early. Bond yields coming down, AMC coming up, GME coming up as well. All right, people, let's get some basketballs. Let's get it going. Let's get it going. We are open now. Ding, ding, ding. All right. AMC doing good. Now down 1.9. SPY doing pretty decent right now. I mean, I'm gonna wait. If I miss some of the move, that's gonna be fine. I don't usually like to enter stuff right as the market opens because we could see this go up a lot and then just tank a little bit. So I'm gonna be waiting to see which direction the SPY decides to pick today, and then we're gonna go off that. But GME 169, AMC 29 or 28.26 right now, not doing so bad. Ham mess with you? Nah, I mean, he didn't. That was a joke. Like the technicals that I was looking at said, yeah, you should probably get out. But yeah, let's see. All right. SPY is moving back down a little bit right here. AMC down 2.83, GME 169. How are what's HD doing? HD down a little bit right now, too. What is this on the 5-day or the 1 month? Yeah, that is held up so nicely. Jeez. Jeez. I don't know. I don't know. I think we might have to make a move. All right, AMC selling a little bit, SPY coming down. See, not really picking its direction yet. I mean, we're 2 minutes into the market open, but let's see what we got, people. Thoughts on LGVN? Volatility. That's the first word that comes to my mind when I hear about LGVN. What are they up to today? Longeveron. Yeah, down 7, still at 18. I mean, if you guys were getting in sub 10 where it was a couple of weeks ago, you're still absolutely crushing it. TLT, what are we saying here? Yeah, TLT staying pretty flat. SPY coming down. Let's see. How's Prague looking? Prague was very, very red in the pre-market. Let's see if it's getting any bit of a bounce. I don't. Yeah. I mean, it's down. It's looking for a little bit of bullish momentum here. Like it did start to pop into market open, but it is down 4.66%. It's at 224. And then we got SPY coming down. Remember these ranges. With these moving averages, I want to see it break above or below to really pick a direction. Apple up 1.5. Yeah, Apple's been one that also has been holding up recently. If the market starts to go green, Apple has been ripping, but if it goes red, it doesn't necessarily fall as much. So it is holding up pretty good. GME 168.24 down 2.41. AMC cracking above 28 here. Let's see if the SPY can get some bullish momentum. We do have TLTs trying to make that move up, which would suggest things would start to come down, but let's see. News just says new K. Yeah. I mean, yes, they can spaz out 100% because this one they've said that there's going to be no, they're not going to close everything down. The symptoms aren't really that crazy. It's the reason. Here's the thing: the reason why they're starting to blow this out of proportion a little bit is because we're going into holiday season. What they're actually trying to do is put the idea in people's heads. This is how I'm thinking about this, because people are going to be traveling for the holidays. They're trying to get it into people's heads to be careful, so something doesn't get out, like it doesn't get out of hand. That's what I see is actually going on, but it's just a stupid way that it's affecting the market. SPY coming down, AMC popping back up 28.21 right now. How's that negative beta for you? I'm just kidding. Negative beta. Don't nobody do that. But let's see here. AMC 28.33 doing all right. TLT coming up. All right, hold on now. All right, we are still waiting on any new indicator to come in and tell us what to do. CFVI trying to break up. There we go, M. Kriegs. Yep, CFVI coming after it right as the market opens. really getting after it here, up 25%. Anybody that got into CFVI last week doing very, very, very good. All right. SPY coming down. What do we have over here? All right. Yeah, it's not necessarily picking its direction yet. Let's see. I mean, I'm going to pull up the chain and see what I like, but I'm not going to do anything yet. It's still early. Those aren't terrible, but mm, 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 mm. All right. Let's see. Shares on loan for AMC right now. Where is it? 94 million. All right, hold on now. What do we got? Where's this? 52. Yeah, I don't see it. Yeah, nothing yet. Nothing yet on SPY. Not for me right now. VIX is going off like a rocket. Yeah, is it? Yeah, TLT coming up. Yeah, AMC coming down. All right, let's mess around a little bit. All right, let's see how this goes. All righty. Looks like they're spending all that cash from crypto on AMC today already, and not necessarily. I mean, we're still down 5.8. SPY is trying to make that move back down. Let's see what happens. TLT is kind of messing around here. We got bond yields kind of freaking out. SPY coming down. GME coming down. I mean, I did just get into a little tiny SPY put play just for fun. Gonna try to hold it for a while today too, because I need to stop being a little wuss on these plays. Let's see what happens, though. I mean, this is a little bit early to be entering into stuff, but let's see what happens. Wrong way, Amy. Yeah. Yep. All right. SPY coming down. Here we go again. Here we go. AMC coming back up. Not bad. With the SPY coming down, TLT coming up. GME, it's selling a little bit. AMC's trying to stay up, but the overall market is showing more weakness again. Let's see how this goes today. We were at 453.64, right around that range. I mean, it's just kind of slowly stepping down. Let's see what happens here. I mean, yeah, MACD just crossed. Looks like it's going to come down for a little bit, but let's see. All right. AMC trying to make that move back up. SPY coming down. Oh God, Commander, that was reckless. Yeah. Also, if you guys don't mind, just dropping some likes on the stream just helps get some more people in here. Thank you to you guys so much who have already done that and who have been supporting the channel recently. We've been growing very, very fast. So thank you guys so much. I do have an idea. Okay, it is Monday. What I was thinking about doing is we were going to list out some plays and we were going to do a poll, and whatever random one we would do, I would just throw like $100 at it and see how it goes. But I don't know. We'll see. SV, correct me if I'm wrong, but the massive downward pressure has eliminated your thesis of January. No, not even a little bit. Nothing's changed. It's just it actually kind of helps confirm it. All right, SPY is trying to make that move back up here. Let's see what happens on this side over here. Uh-oh. Ruh-roh. What's up with the market? German market was up until US market opened. Yeah, it's seen a little bit of volatility here. But let's see what happens. I don't know. AMC trying to get, I mean, it's at 27.66 right now. SPY's trying to make a move back up, but not really. It's still saying it's going to keep coming down, but let's see what happens. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Did AMC short interest change? A little bit. I mean, it's at 17.52. It's right around where it's at. SV, can you look up VYNE and MKD? Yes, I can, M Creeks. Ripping. Jeez. M Creek crushing it on some of these plays. What does this one do? Itch. Interesting. So it's dermatitis. What's the other one? MKD. Not bad. Little penny stock one there. Let's see what happens. What's this one do? E-commerce solutions. Interesting. Chemical value chain. That's pretty interesting. All righty. Commander, thanks for the super. I appreciate it, man. All right. AMC 2756. SPY just kind of hanging around doing its thing over here. Total borrowed shares for AMC. I mean, today it's 430,000. SPY kind of looks like it wants to make a move here. Let's see. Oh, Commander. Thank you, man. Vibes. Thank you, man. Apple popping off. Let's go. Is it now? Woo! Anybody in on Apple doing solid right now? Very, very solid gains on Apple going on. There you go. Oh, Apple is really ripping right now. Apple is really, really going. Lucid tanking, yeah. AMC coming back up 2780. There we go. That's what we like to see there. That is what we like to see. Bought a couple 160 calls, says Alfredo. There you go. Yeah, the whole talks about the Apple car. Yeah. Apple is ripping right now. Woo-hoo-hoo. They are getting going. AMC getting a little move here as well. There we go, everybody. There we go. You think we see 20 on AMC before 60? No. No. Also, ditch those SPY. SPY is making a move right now. Apple is getting some absolutely crazy bullish momentum here. There it goes. There it goes. Wow. Feels like AMC wants to move. It does. It does. Right above 28 now. We got the bond yield selling off a little bit. We got SPY coming up. Ooh-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. All right, everybody. This could be a good day here. This could be a fun day for everybody. All righty. AMC 2824. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. All right. Let's have a bit of fun here. Commander, thank you so much for the super. I appreciate it, man. I owe TMI some supers too. You guys do a lot for our positivity. There's so much value in that these days. Commander, thank you, man. I really, really appreciate it. Hold on. I'm trying to make some sort of move here, but let's see. Spy coming back down. Going to use this upper range as support of these averages, most likely. And then it might get a little bit of a bounce back up. Apple selling off a little bit right now. AMC at 27.98. We're kind of seeing a little bit of volatility right now in the market right now. We're seeing this range from 456 to about 453. So let's see if it ends up picking a direction. SCV, you got a girlfriend? A synthetic one, yes. All right. I still expect GME to pull the NFT dividend ripcord, and that will set off the fireworks. It definitely could. Definitely could. AMC doing very, very solid right now. I mean, it's still down 2.6, but it's at 28.30, trying to make that move back up towards the day high of about 28.56. Let's see if we can get some bullish momentum here. SPY is looking like it wants to come up. Bond yields are selling off. We got technicals saying that it's a buy. Let's see what happens. Synthetic girlfriend with naked shorts. I don't know. So it's a doll? No. It would be interesting to see if the market started with a sell-off because of short or because of sells. I mean, it's going to be both. Oh, SPY is having a nice time here. Let's see. All right. Last short out loses big pile of cash. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, AMC 28.32. Bond yield selling off here. We don't really want Apple up here. We want GME. That's what we want. GME 169.62. Let's see what the SPY likes to do now. Hold on. We're going to get over here. We're going to mess around with these and have a great time today. That is the goal for the day. Have some fun. Watch these stocks start to go up. Let's see if the market can have, I mean, a little bit of a green day today, finish green. I mean, it's up 0.5% right now. Let's see if it's going to get any super decent bullish momentum or even bearish momentum in any direction so we can kind of make some money off it. Let's see. Those guys that live with life-size dolls creep me out. I would have to agree with that. Do I know anything about the MMTLP preferred shares? Have you heard anything? Is that the metamaterials situation? I think that's what you're talking about. And I don't necessarily really know. SUV looks like an oh god, he just likes to slap. Yeah. Ooh, little big red on SPY here. Interesting. AMC now 28.17. I mean, again, TLT with a decent sized candle, SPY with a decent red candle. What is going on over here? This mouse is having a disaster. Absolute disaster over there. My Apple calls are up 134%. There you go, Jonas. Crushing it over there with the Apple calls. Attaboy. That's what we like to see. I've hit some really solid plays on Apple recently too. When we hit 170, you guys saw it that week. That was when we that was a crazy day. We hit Apple calls and then we just ditched them and then SPY puts, and that was a wild day. But right now, SPY's kind of trading in this range. Nothing too crazy jumping out of me right now. Bond yields are kind of settling down in here. We got AMC right around 28. Nothing too crazy going on. Let's see. Well, AMC Ortex numbers today we have, they probably have not changed really at all. Last time we checked, it was okay. So we got 17.52% short interest, utilization 76.11. Days to cover did cross above 2.03. So very, very good numbers there. Very, very solid. All right. Over 4. Oh, hold on. No. Moderna's just playing around right now. They're like, "Oh, yeah, we're not gonna be effective because we need to make more money." Like, come on, guys. Really? 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 I got a 39 and a $40 call for this Friday. Please don't let me down. Amy, SV, what do you think my odds are? I don't wanna say bleak, but that's a big move. Like, that's a big move. That would be a very, very large move. SV, people don't know what days to cover means. Would you like to explain it real quick? I would love to explain it real quick, Sam. So what days to cover is essentially going to show us is it's an average volume number. So it's going to be the amount of shares sold short in the open market versus the amount of volume. So if those shorts were to try to get out of their position, how long would it take them to do that according to the volume that we've previously seen in the market? So as days to cover goes up, it makes it more difficult for shorts to get out of their positions quickly. What that means is that let's say there's a volume day of 40 million, but then we have shorts that need to cover 10 million shares. So that's going to be 25% of the total volume of that day coming in as buys. So that's going to jack up the price. I have that orchestra song stuck in my head now. Oh boy. SV got siblings. Yeah, I got a bunch. Got a few. Not a bunch. I got a few of them. All righty. I don't know why that song came into my head either. I apologize for getting that stuck in your head. That's not the best thing that we want stuck in our heads today. I bought them a week or so ago before Powell and oh god, oh god, oh god, that's not good. Ryan, that's why is this mouse being annoying today? Did it like it's like not moving when I move it. There's like a lag on it. All right. Does it include halts? Does what include halts? I mean, there's no volume traded during a halt. Number letters. Careful, buddy. Careful, buddy. Careful with that one. All right. Let's see. Do you help them make money with the market? I mean, sometimes. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Depends on the type of play I'm giving them. All right. Y'all leave this man alone? No, they can do whatever they want. It's there. You guys run the stream. That's essentially what it is. I'm here guiding it through. You guys are the ones that are running it. You guys are the ones that run it. First Monday here. Thoughts on Prague? Yeah, let's pull up Prague, see how they're doing. See how they're doing over here. Wow, Prague really getting some bullish momentum, coming back flat on the day. That is a good thing to see, especially with them being down about 7, I believe, at the low in the pre-market. That was some big red moves on Prague in the pre-market. I don't know. I kind of like SPY going up today. It just looks decent. Like I think we could see a little slow melt up today. STV's sisters are there to protect him from Mandy. Exactly. And bond yields are doing nothing right here. SPY's just hanging out. Hanging out. Prague coming up now. Really getting a little bit of volatility here. AMC just chilling right around 28. Nothing too nuts happening over there on Amy. STV, we are the captain now. You are. You guys are the captain. Best word in the industry. I don't even know what that word is. That's a crazy word. It means assuming something is as valueless. Oh, there you go. SPY getting a little bit of volatility here. Some red candles coming through on the SPY. Let's see what happens here if this gets bought right back up. Oh, what's up, Pushin? What's up, Darth? How we doing, everybody? Let's see. All right. AMC trying to get that move back up. I mean, we are at right above 28, getting a little bit of bullish momentum here. SPY got a little bit of volatility there, but it is bouncing right back up. TLT coming down. That was a little bond move here. AMC getting a little pop here. Here we go. Come on, let's see those day highs. Right now, the day high is 28.56. We break through that, we could get some more bullish momentum. Let's see how it goes. All right. VIX scary day. Not really. Not really. Not too worried. 28.15 on AMC. SPY just bouncing around doing its thing. Just having a good time. All right. Oh, here she comes. Here she comes. Prague basically flat on the day. Let's check back on GME. 168.65 down 2.17. Amy trying to get that move. Trying to get that move up. All according to the plan. Taco is up 65%. It's not even a Tuesday. What the hell is that? What is that BS right there? Taco. That's not allowed. That's not allowed. We're supposed to only run on Tuesdays with Taco, I thought. All right. Mark, thank you so much for the super. CFVI, I said Monday we break 15 and test 20. There you go, Mark. Crushing it over there on CFVI. Atta boy. Del Taco. It's funny to see how the SPY and Tesla both move together. I mean, Tesla, it makes up a big portion of SPY. SPY making a move back up here. TLT coming down a little bit, but SPY is getting a little bit of bullish momentum here. Let's see if AMC can get some of that too and get going. Let's see it. SPY's just been trapped in this freaking range for like the last 20 minutes. Literally not doing anything. Literally nothing. How about this idea? What if AMC give one movie ticket out per every single AMC share? It would cost them nothing, but it would. I mean, they would lose. They would show. Oh, they could do that. That could be part of like that NFT that any type of dividend that they wanted to do. So let's see what they end up doing with that. But I don't know. I don't know. I don't really know. There's a lot of different things that they could do. A lot of different things that they could do. All right. 10-year doing 0. AMC coming back down to 28. SPY getting a little volatile here. Just pick a freaking direction, dude. You want to go up, go up. You want to go down. But none of this like, oh, I don't know, maybe I'm going to go up, then I'm going to go down. Make up your mind. It's like asking someone where they want to go for dinner. I don't know. You pick. No, I asked you. I don't know what I want to eat. You want to go here? No. That's what SPY is doing right now. That's literally what SPY is doing. It's like, oh, let's go to dinner tonight. Okay, cool. Where do you want to go? I don't know. How about this place? Nah, I don't want to go there. Well, then where do you want to go? I don't know. How about this other place? Nah, not really in the mood for that. That's literally what we're seeing here on SPY. Oh, it looks like they're picking where they want to go for dinner now. Your health is more important. Yeah. A year ago, I was basically dead, broke. Now, if AMC touches 55 again, I'll be up 200K number letters. There you go. Morning STV. What's going on, Ian? How you doing? SB, what do you think about us creating a Discord or something with other streamers? We create our own club of day traders. We could. I might start a Discord over break. I mean, I'm not gonna do like buy sell alerts, but we're gonna do like ideas and what like we're looking at during the day and like at night and stuff. Look, again, right here. Oh, that place might sound good. No, not really. I don't really want to go there. All right, red candle. Come on now. Sounds like every other. Yeah, I know, brother. Been there. Yeah. All right. On the road back to CT, then back to Rhode Island for work, going audio only. Let's rip today. STV, thanks for all you do. Rhode Island, thanks for coming in here all the time, man. I appreciate it. AMC at $27.99, right around that $28 mark. I don't know. Spy's looking like it might want to pick a direction on what it wants to have for dinner, but who knows? They're probably just gonna say, I don't know again. Get your vodka water. I mean, it's a little early for all that, but little bit early. All right. So AMC respecting VWAP. Yeah, that's kind of what we've been seeing it doing. And SPY has literally just been bounce off this 50 MA. Doing absolutely zero. What's Home Depot doing? That's not what I want. Come on. Wait, did this just completely? No. I don't know why it does that. I click one thing and then it busts up the entire thing every single time. Webull, you stink. Oh, now it's back. Nice. What did we want to look? We want to look at HD. HD really getting going here. When's their earnings? That's probably what I'm going to look at when I go off stream today. HD, Target, Lowe's, Home Depot. I like those right now. Especially FedEx. FedEx could be good. All right. Getting a little bit of a bond move here. Let's see what happens to the SPY if it takes a little bit of a flush. Try putting Webull in Rice. I could. It's just stupid every single time. It's like, oh yeah, I'm gonna click something and then it's gonna change everything that I have up. Thanks. Amazing. Hey, on average, how much a year do you think someone can make with options? Either a lot or they'll lose everything if they're buying them. You can do really well with them, or you can do very, very poorly with them. AMC getting a little bit of a red candle here. Same thing on the SPY. We're seeing bond yields start to come up right now. Any news coming through? I don't see anything. You can make a lot with options, or you can really hurt yourself. You know anything about dividends? If you buy a stock at 20 and the yield is 5%, stock goes up to 30 along with your capital gains. Does your yield stay the same and your payout up? It depends. Typically, they'll say it's a certain amount per share, so the yield could change a little bit. But it just depends on the stock. All right, AMC trying to get back above that 28. Currently down 3.83 at 27.90. SPY getting a little bit of red here. Let's see how this goes. TLT coming back down. I would expect to see SPY just bounce right back up off this VWAP. It's just been trading in that range. Looks like they're not even going to go out to dinner right now. It's looking pretty bleak. Let's see. Oh, hold on. That could be some news. Nope. Trump Media Company gets information requests from SEC and FINRA. Interesting. AMC coming back up 28.02. There we go. There we go. Do you think someone new to options can make at least 20K? Yeah, you could probably make $10 million if you hit a good play, but you could also lose your money. Like when you're buying options, it's very, very, very risky. Like extremely risky. Because all of a sudden you could be up 100% and then the stocks go back down to flat, or the contracts go flat. Like it's very, very hard to figure out exactly what the contracts are going to do on a day-to-day basis. All right. AMC down about 4. Not doing so bad right now though. SV, you should do some protest and not cut your hair until we get an all-time high. I should not do that. That would be really bad. What if SPY orders in? They might order in. It looks like they're gonna order in today. Uh-oh. Looks like they're not going out to dinner. Oh, maybe they are. Who knows? AMC just can't shake that $27 per share. Yeah, they can. We're at 28 right now. I mean, look at this. The SPY is literally just I don't want to say it, but it's like barcoding. It's not doing anything. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Nothing crazy today. Not really picking a direction, just kind of hanging out in that range. 28 They're gonna say they're not hungry and eat our food. Exactly. Just wanna say meow before the squeeze. There you go. Can you briefly explain the correlation with bonds? They sell off, we go up. I mean, the bonds are gonna be like it's gonna track like the fear and the flow of money. So if the 10-year starts to go down, TLT will start to go up, which will kind of freak things out a little bit. How far down do you think Tesla will go? I don't know. I haven't really been paying too much attention to Tesla recently. Tesla. Let's see. Ooh, Tesla below 1,000. Interesting. I mean, it bounced off of 950, but again, it makes up a big portion of the overall S&P. So when you see the S&P move or when you see Tesla move, they're gonna move together. GME. Here we go. All right, SPY. Do something here. Do something. Here we go. See that new Tesla phone? There's a Tesla phone now? Elon, what are you doing? Elon, come on now, buddy. What is going on over there? You're making phones now? That's nuts. How long do you think the hedges can continue to short AMC? I mean, they can do it as long as they want because there's going to be more institutions coming in that want to short. Like, if they want to short, I think it's a stupid idea, especially with where we're headed. In terms of like the new movies coming out, the NFTs and the retail and other long institutions backing it. But I just don't think. I don't think the next run up, a lot of them are going to be able to stay in. I just don't. All righty. AMC coming back up a little bit here, 27.99, trying to get above 28 again. Market's kind of trapped in a range today, people. Just trapped in a range. Tesla phone is BS. I mean, I feel like it's BS. How is Elon going to get a phone to go to phone home from Mars? 100%. Oh, there SPY goes. There she goes. Oops. Spilled. All right, AMC 2810. Here we go. All self-identified AMC. Yeah, the NFT. Yep. If we go green, it's on. Yeah. Yeah, we're currently down 3 at 28.05. SPY just hanging out here. All righty. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Let's get a pop. Let's get a pop. Yeah, ultraviolet haze. We've been over that a couple of times. It looks like they're just kind of setting it up for kind of like the way the way a dividend would get paid out. So it looks like they're framing it the way that like, oh, this date would be the X dividend, and then we'll see how it goes from there. All right, Amy, let's get a pop here. The speed that this can bounce is insane. We saw it end of the Friday. It can get violent 100%. We randomly could just start like going. It would not surprise me at all if AMC was just like, we're gonna go now. Let's see. All right, GameStop 165.40. AMC above 28 right now. Bond yields are coming. Here we go. Yields are coming up. Let's see. All right. All right, let's see. Short interest on Ortex now. Let's see what it is right now. We were at, yeah, still at 17.65. No real change on AMC's Ortex today. We got utilization 76.11. Pretty low cost to borrow, but we do have days to cover at a decently high level. SPY is really just kind of hanging around in this range, not really making a big move here. AMC 2810. Again, the market's not really picking a direction today. Usually at this time, we've started to see the direction that it was going to pick. Right now, it's getting a little bit of a pop. That's not the worst thing in the world to see there. Not the worst thing in the world to see out of SPY getting a little bit of a move. Let's see if AMC can get a little bit of a bounce off that. GME coming up a little bit. SPY is getting a little bit of momentum here. Here we go. Here we go, everybody. Is it possible for Europeans to join AMC Investor Connect and get an NFT? I don't know. They should. If you can get on to Connect, you should be able to get one of the NFTs. Yeah, so SPY just hit. Oh no, it didn't. It was approaching that new day high. Now just crossed the new day high. It is going. Here we go. SPY getting a little jumpy here. AMC 2811, GME 164.15. What do we got over here? Ooh, it's curling. It's curling. It's getting ready to go. Joseph, thank you so much for becoming a member. I really appreciate it, man. Shout out to all the members. Thank you guys so much. Can you look at VOR days to cover? It's 31.78 on Webull. MCrease. That is wild. I mean, it's up a little bit today. Volume is very, 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 very low. Hold on now. Hold on now. All right. Let's see what we got here. AMC pop, 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 pop. Look at this candle right here. Here we go. 28.80 right now. Look at this candle right here. It is trying to push green. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Here it comes. Here it comes, Amy. That was a big freaking candle. Oh, man, that was big. That was a 316,000 volume candle, and that just went. AMC is looking to push green right now. It needs 10 cents to get back green. Here we go, guys. Make sure you guys drop some likes on the video. Help get some people in here. Overall market is looking like trying to make this move back up here. AMC is trying to push green. GME just got a big boom boom candle as well. Let's see if these are going to be able to continue this move up. Ho, ho, ho. Here we go. Here we go, everybody. Here we go. Come on now. Come on now, Amy. You can do it. AMC pushes green. That is going to be very, very fun. SPY is getting action here too. Let's see how it goes. AMC, 5 cents, 7 cents needs to get green here. It's hanging out a little bit. SPY is having a little bit of fun here too. Come on now. Come on now, Amy. You can do it. You can do it. I believe in you. Come on. Come on. Come on. Now, currently down 1. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a move back up. Come on now. Oh, SPY's getting a little action here. There she goes. There she goes. Prague is going up also too. Yeah. Prague up 0.42. AMC, it's looking for it. AMC is looking for it. SPY is looking for it. Bond yields are chilling out right now. SPY is looking for this move up. Here it comes. AMC kind of frozen right here, but the SPY is looking like it wants to get going. Here we go, everybody. By the way, I just want you all to know the second I started playing Van Halen's Jump, Amy took off. All right, I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that. Hey, whatever gets the job done around here these days, huh? Ooh, there she goes. My little baby called SPY. There you go. There you go. This is looking good right here. Oh, Amy just went green. We are green on the day. Here we go. We are flat right now. We're up a 1 penny. SPY is ripping right now. Let's see if this. Oh my God, this is great. Here we go, everybody. Just needed to get a little bit of time to pick a direction, but AMC is basically flat on the day. It's flickering between green and red. Let's see if we can get some bullish momentum here. Here we go. I'm new to this. What's SPY? The ETF that tracks the S&P 500. Bliss, did you just say go Docu? Is Docu coming back up? Docu, yeah, a little bit of a. I don't want to call that a dead cat bounce, but that's. I mean, they fell 40% on Friday. SPY is going on an absolute tear right now. Absolute tear. AMC down 10 cents right now. Bond yields chilling out. Watch SPY start to get some movement to the upside here. Showing as a buy on TradingView technicals. Yeah. It's been showing as a buy on TradingView technicals. I just didn't like it as much. Just wasn't feeling it. Oh, here we go, AMC. Here we go. Here we go. 29.15, 29.20, new day high at 29.20. Let's see if we can break that with some momentum. SPY looking like it wants to come up too. Let's make some freaking money, people. Let's make some freaking money. I'm ready for it. Are you guys ready for it? Let's make some money. Come on. Did I get some SPY calls like a little while ago? I did. Not going to lie. I did. Did I go a little bit bigger on this one? I did. Is it working out right now currently? Yeah. Let's see. I want 2 or 3 free contracts. That's what I want. That's honestly the goal for what we're going to do today. Make it free. I could get 1 free contract right now. Do I want to do that? Not necessarily. TLT coming back up. Maybe a little bit red on SPY coming, but let's see. We got AMC at 29.09 right now. SPY coming back down a little bit from the high at 458.21. But overall, market's looking kind of strong right now. Let's see what happens. Nice. All right, AMC 29. SPY looking for that move back above 458. Let's see if she can do it. Here we go. AMC's day high 29.23. $29.10. Here we go. If we get another boom boom candle, that is going to be sweet. Market makers, where you at? All right. SPY getting a little bit of a move down here. 457.80. Kind of flickering right now, though. It is still looking strong. AMC back down into the red, 29.83. Let's see what happens with SPY here. It is kind of consolidating at these upper levels in terms of the ranges. Let's see what we can get going here. SPY's day high is 458.21, currently at 458.10, so right around the highs. AMC 29.90. Everything's looking like it wants to try to make that push up. GME, a little bit of a red candle here. Hold on. AMC wants to get that move. TLT just kind of hanging out, but it looks like TLT is going to go on this little bit of a downward move here, which would be very, very good for overall market bullishness. Let's see what happens. SPY falls breakout. I don't know. That was pretty big. That was pretty big. It's flickering around that 1% green mark. Here it goes. Let's see what she wants to do. Yeah, TLT going red. Let's see what happens. I love that you're live more. What's your thoughts on AMC's volume today? What are we at right now? 10 million, 11 million. Not too bad. What are we looking at over here? Vix, what up, bud? Not much. Andrew, how you doing, man? Come on, Spy. I want another run like this. That's what I want right here out of you. Just get it going. Just figure it out and get it going. AMC a 0.24% right now, doing very, very solid. TLT is coming down right now. So let's see. GME getting a little pop here as well. Here we go. Right around that flat mark. We're up 6 cents on the day on AMC. We're gonna need to get a little more than that. Come on. Let's do it. Let's get some basketballs in the chat now, people. We got a lot of people in here now. What's up, people? If you guys don't mind just dropping some likes on the all those new people coming into the stream, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. You guys are all awesome. Let's have some fun. Here she goes again. Amy, get going. Get going, buddy. We're gonna need you to get up there. Yeah, TLT coming down. Spy, I'm gonna say that's gonna get going. We're holding. We're holding today. AMC 2913 doing very, very solid right now. Let's do it. VIX is the shiz. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. We're going to close above 30. I'd love to see that. I would love it. We need another dollar. I mean, we've seen a pretty decent size range today on AMC on these moves. I mean, TLT's steadily coming down, but we're not really seeing the SPY start to come with it. It's looking like it might want to break down a little bit here. Let's see. Let's see. I mean, we're going to need a nice, big, thick green candle out of SPY. That's what we want. Nice, big, floop, right up. That's what we want. All right. GameStop, 169. SPY coming down a little bit. AMC trying to make that move back up. TLT, shut up. All right. Here we go. Here we go, everybody. Woo! A little hot in here. A little hot in here. You are by far the best YouTuber. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Hope you start doing full days and you will get over 500,000 subs easily. Oh, that would be cool. I did hit 70,000 yesterday, which was pretty freaking cool. That was pretty interesting. I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. Back to work. 100K would be really cool. That would be very, very cool to see. So many people. What's going on here? All right, Spy, I know you want to get going. I just know you have it in you. I know that's what you want. AMC 29.15. The day high is 29.23. Let's see if it can get going. VIX is top notch. Thank you. I like your style. Hey, I just get excited about some stuff that we have going on, and then I explain it sometimes. AMC 29.15, 17, 15, 16. Really getting going here. We can do the auctioneer's voice too. 16, 14, 15, 15. BBIG is trying. Yeah. Is it now? Is it now? Yeah, it is trying to push green. Yeah, SPY is not really doing a whole lot now. Don't be a little hoe pants, SPY. When you do that. Oh, there it goes. Buy orders coming in here. Let's see. Oh, AMC looking for that new day high. New day high is now at 29.28. Let's get up there. Come on. Push it. Push it. Let's go. Let's go. If we get to 30 and make the shoulder, we're going to 35. I would love to see that. I would be very, very happy. Let's see if we can get some overall bullishness out of the market right now. It's just kind of hanging out at these levels. It's slowly stepping down, but we could easily see this break up to the upside at any given time. If we get another flush on these bonds, we could easily see it start to come back up. Prague is trying too. Yeah, Prague up 3. AMC hanging out here. SPY getting a move here. Oh, here we go, Amy. Here we go. Come on now. 29.36 is the new day high. We are getting a little bit of bullish momentum on SPY here too. Not too bad to see. Day high on SPY 458.21. I could see us breaking that. AMC 29.33 up 1.1% right now. Let's go. This is a very nice thing to start seeing. New day high. Here we go. We're like 2 cents away. Was that the squeeze? Very funny. All right, looking for it, looking for it, it's looking for it. Yeah, SPY, you can stay in your range for a little while if you want to. Ooh, here we go. AMC is getting it, getting some action here. Come on. Come on now. Here we go. 27.44. CCL is up 8. Interesting. Shorts missed their chance to get out cheap, take profits. Whoops, greedy mistakes were made. Yeah, that's why I was saying they made a big mistake. Like you're just messing around being a complete stupid idiot, trying to short at these levels where it doesn't like to stay down here for very long. And then it just goes right back up to where we were at. The wall at 32. I mean, let's get there and see what happens. We're at 29, new day high 29.55. We are getting going here, everybody. This is looking pretty good. GME 169.19. AMC, here it goes. 29.70. 29.79 is what it hit. SPY coming down a little bit. Let's see. 29.76. It's looking that it wants to go above 30. Here it goes. Here it goes. Here we go. 30. Oh, it is getting some volume here, people. Here it comes. Look at this giant boom boom candle here. This is getting interesting. Oh boy. Oh boy. Here we go. Here. Ooh, there it comes on GME too. Here we go. GME just went green. SPY is coming up a little bit here. AMC is chilling right above 30 now, up 3.75% on the day. Very, very nice way to start off the week right now. Here we go, everybody. Here we go. Let's get some basketballs and jump it up even more. Come on, let's do it. Right now, it just fell right back below 20 or 30, but we are still up 3.2%. Very, very strong right now. Look at those candles. Jeez. What's the volume on this one so far? This 792,000 on this boom boom. This one was 316,000. So not a lot of volumes. All right, back above 30. Here it comes. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Woo-hoo. All right, no more of that. That was really stupid. We're not doing any of that anymore. All right, AMC, here we go. Here we go. New day high or day high at 30.37. Looking like it wants to try to get back above there too. SPY just broke its SPY's day high is 458.28. Getting going here, people. Getting going. This is getting fun. TLT coming down. AMC looking like it wants to get going. If bond yields start to slowly stay down at these lows for the rest of the day, we could see the market come up, AMC come up, and really start to put more pressure on these shorts that were like, hey, I'm going to short it at 30. Idiots. Big dummies over there at the short institutions. That's what all I have to say to that. Love your streams. Thank you, the Cat Zone. I appreciate it. Here it comes. Chilling above 30. That's what we like to see. Also, I feel like my hair was messed up and nobody told me. Thanks, guys. All right, AMC looking to crack that previous day high at 30.37. We just jumped up a little bit. We're at 30.23. SPY's getting a little bit of a move here. Bond yields coming down. GME at 170.42. Having a great time today. Woo! Here it comes. Ham says I bought 460 SPY calls expiration today. YOLO. Hey, Ham, I'm kind of in the similar boat as you right now on those. All right, AMC new day high 30.47. Here it comes. Here it comes. Yeah, Ham, I spent some money on those on some SPY calls earlier. Let's see what happens with them though. I might try to make some free and then not be a little wuss. Trey's mustache. Here we go. Trey's mustache. Hope you're feeling good today, buddy. Up 4% right now, doing very good. Sing it again. Thanks for the super. I appreciate it, man. Let's see. SPY getting a little red here. AMC getting a little red. Still above 30 though. TLT bouncing a little bit back up right here. So let's see what happens with these SPY. But AMC is still doing very good above 30. Up $7,000 on your calls. There you go. That's what we like to see. Everybody in here making money. Ho, ho, ho. SPY making a move back up. So is AMC. It looks like we might be getting some bullish momentum out of the market today, people. Let's see how this goes. Previous day high on the SPY, 458.28. We break that. We could flush right to 458.50, but let's see how it ends up playing out. GME. 170, 101, trying to get some momentum. Tom P, thank you for becoming a member, man. I really, really appreciate it. Shout out to all the members for supporting the channel. You guys are awesome. Thank you. SV, check out the hour chart. Look at the possibilities. Ooh, the possibilities. They're endless. All right, 1 hour. Oh boy. Oh God. That does look fun. That does look like it has a lot of room to go up. Spy try. Ooh, here comes Spy. New day high. 458.38. That was a nice move there. Let's see if it can keep going and push Amy all the way back up to 31. That's what I'm looking to see right here. Give me freedom or give me. There we go. You got paid to sing. I don't think a smile gets you off the hook. We're coming around the mountain. We will be coming around the mountain when she comes. Woohoo! All right, AMC 3032. Having some fun here. Spy coming down a little bit, but guess what? Who cares? I mean, I still think the market's going to bleed up or melt up into the end of the day. I keep using bearish terms to talk about like things going up. Like I was like, oh, it's going to flush to 450. No, I'm being an idiot over here. AMC 3032, having some fun. Spy coming down a little bit. I mean, bond yields are hanging out around these lows right here. I'm not sure why Spy is deciding to not have as much fun. Also, they picked where they wanted to go to dinner, I guess. I guess that's what happened. That we decided where they were going to go to dinner. All right. All righty. Here we go. Come on, Amy. 3037. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Flush Moaz. Yeah. Spy, I'm going to need you to go up like another couple of dollars, and then we're going to have some fun. Corey, what's going on, man? How you doing? Counting on Spy going down and AMC going up. Shorted Spy. Wish me luck. Chester, I am on the opposite side of that trade to you right now. So, I mean, I wish you luck, but I also wish myself more luck, if that makes sense. So sorry. I mean, it does look like it could come down a little bit here, but in general, I think we're going to have a nice day. And if we don't, I'm just going to cut it. All right, AMC 3028. Here we go. We're just kind of waiting on everything to settle down and get going back to the upside. Spy, come on now. What are you doing here? Don't be that way. Don't be that guy. Spy higher lows. Good sign to see. SCV, AMC. Look at TTM squeeze indicator on the 5 minute. Let you know what you think. Thinkorswim. Yeah, I don't have Thinkorswim, so I'm not going to be able to take a look at that. Spy coming down. AMC coming down a little bit here. Bond yields doing their thing. All right. All righty. How long are you been doing daily streams? Really digging it? I mean, as long as I can, honestly. Like I'm gonna be going today probably till 11:45, and then we'll come back on at 2. AMC chilling right around 30 right now, getting a little bit of a red candle here. Coming down a little bit. I mean, nothing too crazy right now. Spy is kind of doing its thing, flickering around, trying to make that move back above 458. I mean, I think this dip is going to get bought up on AMC. It's like, oh, cool, it's going up, short it. All right, well, we're just going to buy it and push the price up even more because that is what we do. Not like because that's what we want. It's because we like buying it. All right, here we go. I'm almost a year into AMC. I want to learn to do calls and puts. Where do you do yours? I mean, where do I trade them? Webull, but you gotta like you gotta learn like a lot before you really try to get into it because it is so risky. Let's see. Ham, I'm with you on it today, buddy. AMC 29.56, still up 1.9% on the day. Spy trying to make that move back up above 458 again. Here it comes. Here it comes. Let's see if TLT is going to start selling off a little bit. Not necessarily. AMC, a little bit of a green candle here. Here we go. Here we go, people. Let's get excited. Fear gave us discounts, 100%. Do you do any private courses on teaching options? No. If I'm going to do anything like that, it'll just be free. I'll tell you what I know. On how to trade them, the strategies that I use. But there's so much information out there that you can just learn for free on YouTube. And once you get a good understanding of like the strategies that you can use and like what works for you and your risk tolerance, you don't need to pay for a freaking course. Don't do that. Because So the one thing about courses is like if you pay for it, and it's expensive, you're probably going to value it more. But the problem is that there's probably some BS courses out there that aren't going to teach you anything. They might teach you the basics, but I could literally just come on here for a while and just be like, oh yeah, calls give you the right to sell or right to buy 100 shares, and just tell you everything that they would just say in that basic course anyway. SPY trying to make that move back up. It's looking like it wants to. TLT is kind of hanging out here. So let's see what happens. Little red on SPY here, but I don't know. Still holding, doing my thing. Not going to be a little wuss today. All right, come on, Amy. Let's get another round of bullishness here. TLT, stop. What are you doing? Why is there a need for fear right now? We just had a nice little run, and you're going to be fearful. Come on now. Don't be a fake online guru. Exactly. Don't do any of that. SPY. Can't believe you've done this. Can't believe you've done this. Ham, what are you doing over here, dude? You messing with us again? All right, let's see. Everybody hit that like. Thank you, Steven. I appreciate it, man. Let's see what we got. SPY coming back up. I want TLT to just flush and just come right directly down. AMC 29.40 right now. GME 167.64, down 2.76 on the day. AMC is up 1.5. Let's see if we can get some more bullish momentum out of the SPY right now. It is looking like it's having a little bit of a selling wave here, but let's see what ends up happening. I think we could see some more bullishness out of the market today. I don't think it wants to come down today. Unless there's some like unrelated news, I think we're going up. I don't mind us having mediocre Monday if it means we have time for takeoff Tuesday, followed by we're on our way Wednesday. Hey, I'm down. Let's get it going. Let's get it going. Prague looking good. Yeah, how are they doing? Prague up 1.9, not bad, not bad. AMC trying to move back up here, 1.62. TLT coming down. SPY being a little weenie. Yeah, come on, SPY, do your thing. What is the short interest or cost to borrow for Prague? We can take a look at that right now. Honestly, it's probably good for me to not be staring at SPY right now because you're going to see me do the same thing I always do, sell early. All right, Prague. Let's see. Prague short interest 11.91. Utilization very, very high. We got cost to borrow a pretty high range. I mean, 61% is high. But again, with all of the shorting that we've seen on this thing over the past couple of weeks, I would expect it to go a lot higher. AMC trying to come back up around 30. SPY doing good. TLT coming down. That's what we like to see. Nice Amy comeback. Yeah, come on now. All right, come on now. Ever noticed the similarities of Doge and AMC monthly and yearly? I have not, but that sounds pretty interesting. Yeah, that's what I thought, SPY. That's what I thought with TLT doing this. That's what I thought. Come on, get up there. A 29.50 on AMC, just chilling around that range right now. Let's see if we get a little bit more bullish momentum out of the market and we start to really get towards those new day highs. We could see AME get back above 30, but that was a big boom when we saw AMC going up. That was a rip. We saw two very big boom. I mean, we saw a couple big ones. We saw this one back here. We saw this one here, this one here, this one here. We're just going to need to break above and hold. We're going to need those big booms that we see in the intraday to hold. Like right now, we're still trading right around 29.50. Buyers and sellers are willing to transact at these prices right now. Let's see if a new wave of buyers is going to come right back in and just be like, screw you, sellers. We're going to bring this thing up. IWM struggling. Yeah, I mean, SPY's doing all right here. GME 167, AMC, I mean, right in that range. Yeah, TLT coming down. Watch SPY, watch SPY here. How's IWM struggling? What's going on here? Come on, IWM. IWM up 1.5, doing great. IWM's not struggling. Let's see. Take down SPY charts and check on it. Yeah, it's good. SPY's right here. We're doing all right. I'm doing fine. I'm doing fine. Ham, I'm getting more YOLO-y is what is what we're doing here. We're gonna get a little bit more YOLO-y today. And I think we're gonna get it. I think we're gonna get it today. Does AMC look like it's forming a head and shoulders? It could be. It's all about fear and control, not falling for it. Yeah, exactly. It's okay. She's stretching out the legs for another run. She's warming up. She's warming up. TLT, stop. Don't do that. Don't you do that. Stop it. Stop it. All right. What are we looking at over here on my little technicals? Yeah, it could look like it's gonna interesting. VYNE breaking out. Oh, M Creeks. There you go. There you go. Oh, yeah. Day high at 126, currently at 119. There you go. What was the other one you were looking at? It was like what was it? M Creeks. What was the other one you were looking at? Power hour is gonna be lit. Yeah. There we go, SPY. M Creeks, what was the other one? I think it began with an M. Let's see though. TLT down, SPY up. That's what we want. That is what we want to see. All right, let's go back to GME. MKD, that's what it was. How's that one doing? It's up 7%. I mean, M Creeks is over here just absolutely crushing it. All right. AMC coming back up 29.72. Not bad, not bad, not bad. All right. That's not terrible. All right. We're going to need to charge my phone. That's what we got to do. SPY's being a little volatile boy today. All right. How are we looking on AMC? Very good right now. We're up 2.3% on the day at 29.68. We did hit a day high of 30.47, doing very, very solid overall today. But let's see what happens. If we get another run, I mean, I think the market is just preparing for like another move to the upside or downside. I mean, we're seeing everything start to trend in the upward direction. So let's see what happens. I mean, if we start to get another big pop out of the S&P, I think we could really start to get going, but we're going to need to see these bond yields really start to just hold on. Where do they have to go? They would have to go up, I believe. All right. Trying to crush it. Go a few bags of other stock. Yeah, there you go. DD above $6. Good break. Number letters doesn't believe in coincidences. SB, if I sell a put at $29 with a strike of 20 and it hits 20, I lose my premium. You don't lose your premium, you keep the premium, but you have to buy the shares at if you get exercise, you have to buy the shares at 20, but you're gonna be you would already put up that $2,000. Yeah, you would have to. So Nathan, this is the thing. If it hits 20 and goes above 20 and you get exercise, well, technically, yes, you do get to buy at 20 if the exercise like goes in, but it probably wouldn't. You would have to go past the break even. So depending on what the actual price of the SPY, what is that? Depending on what the actual premium is on that contract that you would do, then it might be lower. It might be 28. It might be 28.50. It might be 26. Like we don't. I don't know exactly what it is for that specific date, but this is what I want here. Are you kidding me right now? Are you serious? Are you serious? Any shorts covering? I mean, we wouldn't really be able to tell based off of these moves. Jeez, come on now. What are we doing here? I think the market is getting ready to trend to the upside or downside. Yeah, it was just like flickering in that range over and over and over and over. Like, what are we going to do? We got to make a move at some point. I mean, it just came down a decent amount. Let's see what happens. The daily contracts, not doing so hot anymore. Just relax. Thanks. That's what I need. All right, here we go. AMC right back to 29.50. Oh, coming down a little bit there. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Woohoo! All right, 29.50. Come on, AMC up 1.62. Here we go. Definitely not covering. This is the market trying to turn around. I agree. I would have to agree with you on that one. 100%. All right, what do we got going on over here? Sunshine 100 failed, making a $179 million payment yesterday in the grace period of two $82.5 million bonds from Evergrande ends literally in 1 hour, and there's still no payment in sight. Wouldn't be surprised, however, if something magical appears at the last minute from this defaulted company. Yeah, I would not be surprised either. AMC, hold on, is expected that this NFT will be tradable and or sellable. There may be fees or costs associated with such transfers, including making a small royalty payment to AMC. That's not bad. Hold on, where is this? I can say with certainty there will be more NFTs in AMC's future. Boom. That is some big news. Bitcoin ETF failed. What did they lever up too much and what they were trying to do and just screwed it up? AMC making that move back up. Bond yields coming down. SPY. Pop, pop, pop. Here we go. Morning SCB. Can you please give us your thoughts on ARDX? I haven't taken, I feel like I've heard of this one a couple of times. It's been doing pretty good, I feel like, over the past couple of weeks. Yeah, I mean, it's gone on a couple of these big rips. I mean, it's coming down to support now at that 50, but what does it do? Medicines to improve kidney and yeah, I've definitely looked at this a couple of times. I mean, it definitely could get going again. But again, the risky biotechs, they're risky, so be careful. NFT for AMC. It's happening for holders. There we go. AMC 29.56. Doing pretty good right now. Not doing bad. She wants to go. She wants to get going here. She's looking like she want to make a move. Let's see. That can go to paying down debt and yeah, exactly. Yeah, AMC wants to get it. Come on. AMC forming a middle finger for the hedgies? Yeah, maybe a little bit. This is weird. Huh. That is very strange. It's just that one candle that busted everything up earlier. Interesting. All right, 29.58 on AMC. It's just kind of consolidating right now. Let's see. Day high at 30.47. We break that, we could really get going to 31. We could really get going. Check Twitter DM. There we go. Who's this to? Hold on. Hold on, I don't get it. Yeah, Vegas. I'm gonna have to look at that a little bit more. I'm not really sure what's going on there. That's from Corey. Yeah, Vegas, I'm gonna have to take a look at that after. Anyone short Lucid? I mean, if you are, you're probably doing really good right now. What was Lucid down today? Like 12 at one point? Yeah, down 9. I mean, it's rallying back up. Did hit a low of 38. So if you bought the dip, you're doing pretty good. SPY looking like it wants to get a little bit bouncy here. AMC 29.55 doing all right. We're working on that middle finger right now. Yeah, we are. What did I miss? Did we MOS yet? No. There's your SPY turnaround. Yeah, I mean, sort of, not really. I mean, TLT is really coming down now. Like this, we would expect to see it really start to get going. Hold on, let's see what we got over here. Yeah, I think we'll get a turnaround over the next hour or so. Let's see what happens though. If TLT keeps selling off like this, then SPY's probably going to get a move up. Where's my money, Kenny? Yeah, VIX. With the price hammered down, could these many run-ups be shorts covering? No, because it's still like decently low volume. So if we were to just see them covering, the amount of buying volume that would have to come in order to make that happen would just shoot up the price. Because remember, they probably increased their short positions around these levels, and if they increased it, like I don't know, anywhere below 30, they're not having. I mean, they're not doing very well on those positions. Like they're just not. Here she comes. Here she comes. Let's see. Some good UKA perspective on things that would be helpful for you guys to talk about. Yeah, Corey, I'm gonna need a little bit more context on it because the screenshot that I looked at, I was like, I don't know what I'm looking at here. There she goes. Come on, SPY. Amy getting a move here too. 29.80. TLT coming down. SPY's looking like it wants to get a little poppy here, which I would really like. I would enjoy. It would be very fun. Who is calling me right now? Leave me alone. People calling. Oh no. Your car's Medicare warranty is expired. Every time. AMC 29.55. All right, here we go. Okay, I'll ask for context. Yeah, I just don't know what they're talking about. Like, is it about the NFT? Is it about just brokerages? I don't know. Fall TLT fall. Yeah, like it's just tanking. And SPY is just like, I'm gonna go with you today. That's not how that works. Yeah, like, all right, SPY. Be that way. Holy smokes, that was the whitest voice I've ever heard. Yeah, that's what happens. Sorry, guys, I was calling SCB about his homework. When do margin calls begin? Whenever you fall below the maintenance margin, and then you get a call that says, hey, give us more money or get out of your position. TLT is just coming down, and SPY's just like, nope. All right, hold on. Yeah, I still see it coming up. I'm gonna stay in this for a while. All right, AMC 29.55. Really just hanging out in this range right now, people. It's about brokerage and NFT, both apparent major issue for across the pond. Interesting. All right, I'll take a look. I just don't know what they're talking. Like I read that and I was like, I don't know. Basketball. Just got tickets for Thursday night showing of Spider-Man. I'm stoked. There you go. All righty. Yeah, these candles are just like, what is this? 69,000 volume, 168, 100,000, 29,000. Not much going on here. Very, very slow today so far. Not a lot of volatility. All right, everybody relax. Everybody relax over here. Volume is looking spicy. I mean, it's at 17 million, not bad, but like, look at this. It's just doing 0 on these candles. The range on these candles is like nothing. SPY, there it comes. Here it comes again. Needs to get above this 50, and then we could probably get a little bit rippy, but we'll see. Volume disappeared. Yeah. Vic's thoughts on the rumor of Tesla doing a stock split on Thursday? I mean, they would tell you the stock wouldn't just randomly split. They would notify you that it would be splitting. And then that would I think the last time Tesla talked about that was in their earnings. So stock is Tesla's earnings coming up? Is that what's going on? Interesting. Well, that would be pretty cool to see. SPY getting going. Speak for yourself. My VYNE is crushing it, up over 30%. Woo. Hey, I'm Crease. Let's see what happens here. I don't know. SPY's looking like it wants to have some fun today. AMC up 2% now, trying to get going here. It's just not like the ranges on these candles are just like nothing, 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 nothing. No way TLT keeps going down and SPY does not bounce. It's coming. Yeah, that's what we're looking at right here. Like this is a big poop on TLT and nothing's happened on the SPY. It's starting to come now, which is decent, but let's see. Ham, your contracts are a little bit further out of the money than mine, but let's see. Oh my God, that is so funny. Here it comes. Watch Amy get a pop here. Watch for Amy to get a little bit of a random boom boom candle. That's what we could look at here because we've seen this happen. SPY, 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 SPY. But look, nothing, 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 nothing. Boom. So if SPY keeps going up like this, the market starts to have some fun. Amy could get another big pop. Good consolidation in AMC after that nice move. I'm stoked to run with Amy this afternoon. 100%. Me too, Clay. It's looking like it wants to have some fun here. What is it? TLT still coming down. SPY is just kind of hanging out up here. Amy, like, look at these freaking candles. There's just nothing happening here. Like, just 29.56. I mean, it's good. The consolidation is very good. The volume's not really here right now, but all of a sudden, it could just, oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Come on, Amy. Get back up above 30. That's what we want to see out of you today. Wait, how does that work? Oh, that's why. I would love to see 100 million volume on AMC by lunch. Hey, me too. That would most likely mean that something crazy was going on, but I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, TLT coming up, but it's just not. TLT still trending on that downward direction. AMC, I mean, SPY looks like it wants to go. AMC just very, very flat over the last like 10, 15 minutes. Yeah, why do we still have Lucid up? What are we doing over here? We need GME. That's what we need. 166.43. SPY getting going. Watch for Amy to get a little bit of a pop here, and let's do it. 1 billion volume would be better. Caleb, I agree, dude. 100%. So you can't say I didn't try and tell you. Oh, no, M. Crees, you definitely told me. You always tell me, and then I always just, like, I miss it in the morning because I'll, like, look at something else and get distracted because I'm an idiot. And then I miss out on 40% gains on these biotech plays that you're crushing it on. SPY coming back up, TLT coming down. Looking interesting. Look for AMC to get a pop over 30 here. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. SPY looking for that new day high. AMC looking to crack above 40, currently at 29.88. Here we go, Ham. Ham, you and me, baby, on these SPY trades. SPY new day high. AMC 29.86. Look for that volume to start coming back in and get another nice boom boom candle here. All right. Come on, Amy. Come on. GME down 2.28. AMC up about 3 right now. Let's see if we can get a little bit more bullish momentum pushing us back up above 30. That would be sweet. Sweet. Gotta average down. There you go, Brandon. Brandon, everybody's been rooting for you. Everybody's been rooting for you to average down. I didn't even know what that was for like the longest time. And then I was like, oh God, everybody's being wild again. SPY 458.10 doing good. AMC 29.72, not too bad. Get down there, TLT. Buy on lit exchanges, no payment for order flow. There you go. Yeah, no. We are not going to have any of that in here. Stop it. You guys know who you are. I made a joke. That was not me saying we're just going to say this now. That was me making a joke because everybody was cheering for him. But now we can't do it because everybody's going to be, Vegas. I don't think you can ban anybody. Yeah, just, we're not going to do that. We're going to be positive. They're all bad. That's what we're going to do. They're all bad, and we're going to make money based off their policy decisions. TLT popping. SPY might come down a little bit here, or it's just going to rip because it says screw TLT today. I guess so. Yeah, no banning. Volkswagen tweet. I saw that. How's Apple doing? I don't know. I don't have any positions on Apple today. Apple, I mean, after that big rip, I mean, it's still doing good, up 2.58. I'd love to see the market go up 2.58. That would be sweet. All right, SPY. Let's get you back on your new day high train, huh? Let's get it going there. All right, GME down 2, AMC 29.56. SPY just doing its freaking thing, hanging around. Yeah, I made a joke. We're gonna focus on this. We're not gonna focus on that today. SPY flickering, AMC 29.57. This just feels slow today. Like, it doesn't feel like there's like a lot happening. Like, we'll see, like, oh, it gets exciting, and then it just kind of hangs out, and you're like, oh, okay. TLT coming up, SPY coming down a little bit. GME down 2.13. AME 29.57. How are these doing over here? How does that work? Theta is just getting me. All right, Ham, we're going to need TLT to say screw it and stop. M. Kriegs bought 2 calls for Friday. There you go, M. Kriegs. AMC 29.60. All right, TLT, stop it. Whatever you're doing, just do the opposite. 1,400% up on options. There you go. There you go. All right. Cinemark up 7. That's funny. That is comical. AMC now down to 29.33, still up 1.1% on the day. We are seeing nothing too crazy going on right now in the broad markets. Have you found TLT to be the best indicator inversely related to the SPY? Not really. It's just volatile right now. Since the market's overall volatile and everybody's worried about like tapering and potentially having the rate hike coming sooner, I just use TLT to just kind of like confirm what's going on. Like, we see TLT go down, SPY go up. It's just tracking like fear and uncertainty in the market. So that's why I have it up here. I mean, it's a decent indicator, and sometimes it leads it. That's the thing. Like, TLT will start and then the SPY will do the opposite, like within the next couple of minutes. So it can be used sometimes as like a leading indicator, so it gets stuff quick, but it's not like an indicator. It's just tracking it's like the inverse of bond yields. TLT, you loser. All right, AMC 29.31. All righty, how about, I think we're getting Duck Gang in here. I think that's what's happening. I think we're getting a little pop here. Oh, there are the ducks. How are we doing, everybody? What's going on to all the ducks? If you guys don't mind, just dropping some likes on the stream. Help gets this out to some more people. Thank you guys so much for coming in after match stream. I appreciate it, guys. TLT coming up. Let's have some fun. AMC big jump is coming. I would say it's very possible. Up 0.55 right now. Overall market's bouncing off the 50. TLT is being a stupid idiot right now. But let's see. What's up, STV? What's up, Seth? How you doing? UPSC dominant started the USDT. Interesting. Oh, we got a bunch of stinky apes in here today. Let's do it. A bunch of big stinky gorillas. All right. AMC's trying to get back to that 1% mark right there. Just kind of hanging around. Matt Synthetic Girlfriend, what's up? Have you made it more than $5 today? No, not yet. At one point, doing good. Now it's just kind of hanging out, messing around. We're gonna hold though, because remember, I'm like the king of selling early, so we're gonna say screw that today and try to not be an idiot. and actually make some freaking money. All right, AMC 2909 coming down a little bit. SPY just flickering up and down right now, not really doing anything. TLT is making a move back up. That's like the second time that I've spilled on myself today. Look, it's duck season. It is. All right. Tesla to soon start delivering Model 3 and Y with AMD chips to Europe. AMD down 6% today. Oof. My baby. My baby AMD not having such a good day. All right. AMC chilling right above 29, still up 0.3% on the day, just kind of chilling flat, not much going on. TLT doing its things, SPY bouncing around. Let's see what happens. I mean, we'll be in this for a while, but let's see. AMC, please go to 2150. Sophia, why? Why are you asking for that? When do you see the DTCC kicking in with margin calls from the Evergrande default? I mean, they wouldn't. Why would they margin call people from Evergrande unless you're trading through like let me think. Unless they're going to take big losses and they no longer have liquid. So here's how it would be. If a US company is holding Evergrande debt and that basically goes to zero, they take the loss. Now, if they needed to prove that they had certain collateral on their balance sheet in order to enter other trades, then they could get margin called, but it wouldn't be like a direct effect on like the DTCC coming in and being like, oh, you Evergrande, out of here. That's not really how it would go. SPY coming back up, TLT coming down. Here we go. Morning, STV and Apes. What's up, AMC Trapper? How you doing? You bought 10 put contracts. Sophia, good for you. I don't think we're going to get to those levels, though. I just don't think so. Let's see. ASV, do you for MA over alligator? I don't know what you're talking about there. Not really sure what's going on with that one. Let's see. Yeah, TLT is making a move up here, but SPY's not really doing much. I want TLT to just tank right now. Just absolutely tank. Let's see. Imagine buying AMC puts. Yeah, exactly. That's why you don't buy puts on AMC. Yeah, exactly. Like, what are we at right now? 2906. And you could like maybe even get close. I mean, I just don't see it. Don't see it happening. Ham. This is a weird day. Like, this is another weird day that we're seeing now. It could get vol. All right, AMC just went red down to 4 cents. Let's see. We're gonna need the overall market to start really getting going here. We're gonna need like that little bit of uncertainty to just pack like a tree and make like a tree and fuck off. That's what we need for market uncertainty. Because what's there to be uncertain about? Omicron? Get out of here. Buying puts at the bottom. Nah, leave them in here. We don't. They can do what they want. They can if they want to buy puts, they can buy puts. They're just trying to come in and flex and be like, I bought puts on AMC and you guys are all long on it. Ha! And it's like, all right, cool. Like, you think that's gonna change what I'm doing? No. You're gonna buy puts on a stock when it just dropped a boatload. Like, that doesn't make a whole lot of sense. But do you? You can do what you want. And I'm not gonna kick you for it. Like, we'll see how it plays out. Do I think you're wrong? 100%. But that's why I'm long, and that's why you have puts. Check Twitter DM. Let's see. All right. SPY is trying here. It's just not doing a whole lot. There's not much happening. AMC down 20 cents on the day now. Poor Sophia. Yeah. Puts on the hood to the bottom. I mean, I would. SPY getting a little move here. Come on now. Come on now, SPY. Do what we want you to do. All right, GME getting some selling here, 165.46. AMC trying to make that move back up. We need 15 more cents to go green. SPY is, I mean, we're gonna need a lot of momentum and volume to really start to come in to push us back up to the levels that we need to get to. That's what we need. 938 people in here. That is wild. Thank you guys so much for coming in and hanging out with me today. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. That is insane. That is so many people. SB, how many days to cover? And what's the bulk of the? I mean, I think that the average age of average days on loan was like 70, and the days to cover was. Oh, this is Prague. Average days or days to cover was 2.03 as of Friday, so not bad. Good numbers that we're seeing. 2.036315. I don't know. I mean, I guess with Ortex's new platform, they're just able to add more decimal points. Pretty cool. All right, AMC. I mean, SPY getting a move here. TLT coming down. Ham, this is our time to shine, buddy. Let's do it. This is our time to shine. We love STV. Love you too, Bliss. All right. Ham, we've been waiting for this all day. We're going to need to have some fun here. Hit the like. It costs you nothing to do it. SD, thank you, buddy. Ho, what's up, Eric? How you doing? Oh, SPY, you stupid little person. Oh, it's just not doing what we usually expect it to do with TLT coming down. This is just a very weird move. A very weird day on the SPY. Like this red candle right here is literally nothing going on. Like not a bond move, not even really like a technical move. Like this is just random. This is just selling. And it could easily just go floop right back up. AMC down 36 cents now, down 1.2. SPY at 457-ish, starting to come back up already too with this like random red candle. But let's see. Futures are green too. Yeah, exactly. Head fake. There you go. I'm maxed out on AMC right now. Bounce would be nice. Yeah. Ham, all futures are green. The market is trying to turn around. It is, unless we just start seeing this BS, these random red candles for who is calling me? I got so many calls on this stream today, and it's like, what? Why do people want to talk to me? Not very interesting. Crypto's selling off harder now. Is that what it is? That might be what it is, honestly. All right. Alrighty. AMC down 44, down 1.5. Let's see. SPY finding support right here. It's your hairdresser? No. Hey, you making fun of me? You making fun of me? Is that what we're doing? Oh no, I'm down $2. All right, let's see. Come on, let's have some fun here. Let's get AMC back in the green, and then let's just go on an absolute tear later in the day today. That's what we want to see. Someone bought a lot of calls on IWM for next Friday. Ooh, cryptos love to sell off before the major markets. Yeah. I mean, when's Euro close? Isn't that at like 1? AMC trying to push back up, down 36 cents now, 1.2. Let's see. SPY coming back. Who the hell is buying bonds? Exactly. You're going to buy something that's going to give you right now 1.399% when inflation's at 6.2. You're literally like, hey, I would like to lose money over the next couple of however long I'm going to hold this. I would like to lose money. It's just stupid. It's just a weird thing to do. Maybe it's Gasparino. He does like to get the abuse. So I don't know. Maybe that's who's driving the bond market right now. Old Charlie. Let's see. SV just got a call from this. No, Vegas. That's not how that works. All right. SPY doing its thing here. Let's see if we can get a pop. I mean, I still like it. I just still like it. I mean, I'm not cutting anything today yet. All right, here we go. Woo woo. What's up, Matthew? How you doing? Trey's mustache. How you doing? Ham. We had a major crypto dump before every run up starting since the January run. Yeah, 100%. We've seen that a couple of times happen. Let's see. TLT coming down. Ham. We was looking like it was our time to shine, and then something was just like, nope. It's selling hard. I'm buying the dip. Not really. Like, what are we at? 28.50. We were just at 29.50. That's a dollar drop, but that is, I mean, that's selling a little bit, but let's see. Jesus. I have no idea who buys bonds. Exactly. Kenny keeps calling, wants you to stop talking about AMC. That's why I didn't answer, because it's freaking Kenny asking me why I'm still talking about AMC. It's like, because I like it. That's why. All right, GME trying to get a move up. GME is having a rough day today, down 4.73. AMC now down only 1.4. SPY's trying to make a move here, but not, I mean, we're just ping ponging around all day today. We've been ping ponging around for a while. Ouch. Ouch. All right, let's see. Hedgies really think that we will sell everything when the price drops? Law, we're not stupid. I mean, technically we're stupid apes, but we're not that stupid. That was a pop here. Come on now. Come on now. Hey, SV, late to the party. Have you discussed the AA tweet about the NFT? Yeah, I love it. I don't know how you can bearish on that. He's setting up the mechanism. It literally looks like, if you didn't know any better, that's like an ex-dividend conversation, but it's not a dividend. It's just, I think it's a very good thing to do. So I don't know how you can be bearish on it. I think it's great. All right. Yeah, you can, there's an options market on bonds, but it'll probably be OTC with like big institutions trading them. Like you can buy callable bonds, you can buy puttable bonds. Like they'll have like a what's it called? Provision. They'll have provisions in them where you'll have like specific outlined options on those bonds. If the buy button gets taken, it helps diversify your brokerage. Yeah, that's true. All right, Ham. Let's see if it's our time to shine. AMC down 1.5, GME down 4.59. Hoping for that SPY pop today. It's like the longest I've held freaking SPY contracts ever. Tony has a good point with his popcoin theory. Yeah, he does. I really liked that. I really like that popcoin situation, because if they're able to raise more money from that and it doesn't dilute the actual share price that we have out in the market right now, that's dirty. That would be a dirty thing to do with AA. Hey, what's up? Broke to Stoke. How you doing, man? Thanks for coming in. Oh, it'd be cool to get. Let's see. Also, if you guys don't mind, for all the new people in here, just dropping some likes on the stream. Just helps get some more people in here. Thank you to you guys who have already done that. We're having a lot of fun today. Little bit of a volatile day, but it also feels a little bit slow. So let's see where we can get to. We've got a little while longer to mess around, have some fun, but let's see what happens. Let's do it. GME coming back up. AMC starting to come back up. Same thing with our baby SPY, and TLT coming down. This is what we want to see. We want big boom booms out of all of this right here. This is what we want to see. Let's see. For the entire last year, NNDM and BNGO have synced with the AMC price movement down to the minute candle. Do you think they're all in some basket fund? Yes, it easily could be. What really confirms that for me is when like Bed Bath & Beyond just rips in the after hours. They're all unrelated, and then AMC and GameStop rip in the after hours too. It's like people are going to be like, AMC, GameStop, it's a distraction. Like, shut up. No, technically yes, but it doesn't matter because they're all moving together somehow. Do we know how? I don't know. There's some theories about it, like with swaps, which makes a lot of sense if they're packaging these losses in the swaps and there's like a year and a day time frame for it. But it doesn't matter. It's like they all run. If you can hit them from all angles, then that's a good thing. They're gonna have multiple positions with different margin requirements. And here's the thing: we don't know if here's the thing I've been thinking about this weekend. We don't know for sure. I mean, GameStop probably was the highest shorted stock, but we don't know because with the reported data, we don't know which one out there of all of these stocks. It could be one that we haven't even found yet. That's just wildly overshorted, and they've been hiding it in a crazy, crazy, crazy way. But we've just focused in on AMC and GameStop. So if one of these other stocks, it's been hidden on them, but a lot of people still own it. I mean, they're still going to be worried about all of that. So it's good to be able to hit them with from all angles, because with the reported data that we have, we don't necessarily know like which one is going to be the best. I mean, when we think about like market cap, GameStop could potentially get to a higher price than AMC just because there's much less shares. But again, I think it's good to have a way to just get them from every angle. Like if you're going to be messing with a bunch of stocks, well, okay, we own them all. Okay, cool. All right, Ham. I think this is going to be our time to shine here. Let's see what happens. If AMC hired, they could pay off their debt in 31 days. Number letters. Very interesting business idea there. I don't know if Adam Aaron would go for it. I don't think that would be something that he would do. When are the FTD's expiration date again? I mean, there isn't like a set in stone FTD expiration date. It's like once they occur, there's like those settlement cycles and everything that goes along with that. But yeah. Yeah, algos. Yep. A lot of things. A lot of different things. Pablo, thank you so much for the super. I appreciate it, man. Hi, STV. Check your Twitter DM. How international apes can register as stockholder with AMC, Odeon, Paul. Not okay. I will look at that. I think that was the one that I needed more context on. When you enter an email to be kept informed with my Odeon, and then an email from her. Interesting. Okay. So that could be something that I'll take a look at that after the stream. Thank you so much, man. We will definitely take a look at that. All right. Energy drink number 1 for the day has been downed. Back to Liquid IV. But there's like nothing in here. I'm going to have to refill it after the stream. All right. AMC slowly pushing back up. Now down 1% here. SPY is just kind of messing around in this range. If it can break above, we could get some more bullish momentum. But TLT with it selling off, we should be getting going. But who knows? Ham, we're struggling over here, buddy. All corporations carry debt, even though they can pay it off. Yeah, debt isn't a bad thing. Always 100%. 100%, guys. AMC's looking for it. It's looking for it. Here it goes. Here we go. Come on, let's break 29 again. Let's break 29. Long on. All right, guys. All right. I don't think Adam Aaron's going to go for that. I don't think that's going to be what he wants to do. Where is Rogue, Brent? No. Rogue's just hanging out with his family. He's got a baby coming up. So he's just been doing his thing, preparing for all that. I don't know what it's like to be about to have a baby, but I bet it's stressful and you gotta like do a bunch of stuff. LGVN. It going. Ooh. Getting a little bit of movement there. Getting a little bit. Coming down a little bit now. Let's get BME back up here. Spy, you're just being mean to me today. Just being mean. Let's see. Yeah, BNGO. I mean, I like their Sapphire. Like that whole product is really cool. And then NMDM, if they can what they have to do is they have to create a product that can be more mass marketed, because they haven't sold that many of them. I haven't looked at their numbers in a while, but at the last time that I was looking at them, they hadn't sold very many of them, but they were raising a lot of money to expand and acquire other companies, which was very good sign. So, I mean, I like them over the long term. There's a little bit of a like a with their corporate structure, but who knows? SPY looking like it wants to make a move. TLT doing its thing. AMC down 29 cents on the day so far. 29 cents. I mean, number letters. You can make jokes, buddy. Like I'm laughing over here. I just can't just yell it because I feel like YouTube would then yell at me. Ortex numbers on AMC right now. Let's see. 17.58 estimated short interest, return shares 526,000, borrowed shares 1.23 million, borrowed change 700,000. SPY coming up. There we go. Come on now. Come on, AMC. Come on, Amy. Look at Cinemark. What are they doing? What is that? What is this? What is going on here? Come on now. Cinemark has just said screw it. We're going up today. AMC down. I mean, it's down only 0.97 now. Let's see what happens. SPY's trying to make a move. Cinemark down up 7. I mean, guess what? Movie theaters aren't dead. There we go. All right, Ham. Is it gonna be our time to shine finally? Let's see. Let's see what happens here, buddy. Cinemark and IMAX are strong. Is it not obvious what's going on? Oh, it's very obvious. Like very obvious. Thoughts on funds bar book to go after call options Theta Crush? They could, but they could be. I would not put it past them. Let's see here. AMC beta. I mean, don't focus on the beta, guys. It's not going to be the end all be all of really anything. I just want another one of these right here. It's just what I want. Just this. Come on. Just do this one more time. What's the 2-week time to cut? I don't know what the 2-week is. I don't know if they do that. Oh, 2 weekdays to cover? What is it? 3 days. So if you look at days to cover and the volume is based on the last 2 weeks, 3 days to cover. On the 3 months, it's about 2.03. Oh, here we go. Come on. Come on, give us something. Give us something, Amy. Start to get going. Let's see the market get a little pop here. Come on. Let's do something. Thoughts on the AMC second NFT? I like it. SVGC Webull has a new price target for Webull. Webull doesn't get price targets. Interesting. I mean, they might have like a range or something. Bounce SPY. Yeah, come on, go. We know you want to do it. TLT coming down. SPY, get up there. Come on. Get up like another $1 or something. That's what we want out of you. TLT coming down hard, and we need, like, usually, like, over the past couple of days, we've seen TLT sell off, SPY really get going, but we're just not seeing it a whole lot today. ISTV, I see you have no class today. Technically, I do, but will I be going? No. Uh, 36. Interesting. Oh, AMC popping here. Here we go. Down only 6 cents now. It's getting a little bit of boom here. Come on now. Come on, let's get going. Let's break it back above into the green, and then let's push right back above 30. Day high on AMC 30.47. Let's see if we can get back up there by market close. That would be sweet. That would be sweet. Do a backflip. No. No. How come AMC doesn't sell beer? Some of them do. Some of them have a bar. LGVN going still. Ow. Halted. LGVN halted. That was a big rip over there on LGVN. Whew. Went from like 18 to 21. That's a big move. AMC coming up. SPY doing its thing. TLT being an a-hole as usual today. SCV has class every day. Yeah, I do. Okay, then you have a little class. Yeah, but I'm like, do a barrel roll. Why do you guys want me to just do random stuff right now? Like, what's up with that? What's up with that? You guys just want me to just be a gymnast right now? Is that what we're doing? All right, halted on the upside. Yeah, that's good. When I sign up for Investor Connect, all I have to do is click the I'm an is. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. SPY goes up $1. I might sell my calls. Yeah, me too. Yeah, boom, boom, little boom, boom on AMC, trying to get back into the green. SPY is just hanging around this 50 MA right now, and TLT's still coming down. It just looks like it's coiling for just a move. Dance, clown, dance. Dance, monkey, dance. All right. AMC 2891. SPY just being an a-hole. SCV blink twice if the hedgies are onto you. They probably are. I don't know. I mean, we see people come into the I sell the alcohol in the AMC bathrooms. Vegas. What is going on there? Yeah. Come on, SPY. Come on. JP Morgan changes prediction for the start. Hold on. Ooh, interesting. Okay, JP Morgan changes prediction for start of Bank of England tightening to February from December. Ooh. Ooh, that could be good. That could be decent right here. We could get a little pop on that. Lucid moving. GME looks like it's coming up now too. Yeah, Lucid's getting a little bit of momentum here. Still down 7 on the day. The low of the day, though, 38. That's a move and a half. Lucid, very, very volatile today. How's Tesla doing? Tesla was a little bit red, I believe. Yeah, Tesla down 3, low of the day at 950. Let's get GME back up here. Looks like we could start to see a little bit of fireworks coming. Ham says Vegas, I hope you aren't cooking in there too. Yeah, that would be rough. That would be rough. All right, AMC 2891 down 9 cents on the day. It's looking for that green push. It just flickered into the green at 29.10. This is just the weirdest move I've seen today. Just it's so strange. Prague moving. Wow, Prague is getting up there now. 3.81% green on the day. AMC down 7 cents, very flat. Paul, on what? Your calls on what? What is that? TLT. See, it's like respecting the moves up on TLT, but isn't respecting the moves down. Like it's very weird. Prague is getting going here, people. Here we go. Prague looking like it's having a little bit of fun here. AMC, come on, get back into the green now. Get back up there. Honestly, SPY is pissing me off today. Like really a lot. It's just stupid. Like, it's just not it's like, "Okay, we're gonna sell off a little bit, probably gonna come right back up to the 50." Like, nothing is happening. TLT getting a little bit of a rip here. Um, expect a little bit of downward pressure in the market due to that. Or it's just gonna bounce because it's just not respecting it today. Like, these moves are just very, very strange. Yeah, these contracts are getting volatile now. Volatile. Let's see. Prague getting going here, 4.63%. AMC now down about 13 cents. SPY coming back up as expected. TLT fake breakout. Yeah. It honestly, since the SPY just came back up here, if TLT starts to sell off and it starts to respect it, like, I don't know. I'm hoping for the best. What are we looking at on the technicals over here? Does it still say sell? Yeah. We needed at oh, this is the wrong thing. We needed at what is it? 458.10 is what we need this to go to. And oh, here it goes. SPY's having a little bit of a bounce here. AMC back into the green. Prague getting some momentum here. TLT selling off. Ham, this could be our time to shine, buddy. Here we go. The indicators that I have set up, they will switch to buy on the SPY at about 458.10. So let's see if that happens, if we can get a little bit more momentum here. The day high on the SPY, 458.47. I'm looking for a big pop here. AMC flat on the day right now. SPY just hanging out. TLT selling off. Let's see what GME is doing on this move. Let's have some fun, people. Let's make some money. GME 165.77. SPY, I mean, it's trying. It's doing its best. LGVN resumed. Hold on. LGVN, I mean, that wasn't that crazy off the halt. Little bit, was it dollar? Oh, boom, boom on AMC. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Let's get back above 30. Let's do it. Let's get back above 30. Wow. LGVN is having a day today. Come on, Amy. Up 0.76 right now. SPY's trying to get back above 458. TLT being an idiot still. Hi, STV. Oh, what's up, Pam? All right. Let's see here. Have you in the background while I work. If AMC does its MOAS, please shriek like a dying goat. All right, I will. Don't worry about that. You all right, I will. Don't worry. All right. Come on, SPY. It's itching for it. It's itching for a big move. Yeah, I mean, it's trying. I mean, I'm holding these. Like, I'm trying to like this is my whole just like don't be an idiot, freaking hold it type of deal today. So I'm just gonna let it ride out and see what happens. I mean, TLT coming down. Come on, SPY. 458.10 is when the super trend is gonna flip to buy, and it's above the 200 EMA. So I mean, see, that could trigger a lot of buying. AMC up 13.9. It's up not, yeah, it's just flickering around. It's up about 0.2% right now. Nothing too crazy happening, right? I mean, this is just weird. Come on, what are you doing? AMC issuing NFT for Investor Connect members, 100%. AMC chilling right around 29 right now. Let's see. Is it possible to get all the family signed to get more AMC NFTs? I mean, if they're shareholders, yes, then you'd be able to do it. But if they're not shareholders, then most likely not. TLT coming up. I would expect SPY to come down, but it's just not respecting it today. AMC trying to get that move back up 10 cents right now. Let's see how this plays out. Market ready to blow. It is looking like it wants to make a move. It really does want to make a move. Like, you just see it all day. It's like, nope, doesn't want to go down. Buyers are stepping in and buying up every single dip. Thoughts on Hood? Not great. It's a battle between you and TMI within 20 viewers of each other. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna head off soon. He just popped on though, so he's gonna be able to crank. Everybody, I'm gonna funnel everybody over there too. I'll probably go hang out there in a little bit. TLT doing its thing. GME 165.35. AMC up a penny on the day, still above 29 though. All right, hold on. We got some more news. Let's see. Craig Wright found not to be liable for breach of Bitcoin partnership. Interesting. So wouldn't that mean that he's just not Satoshi? Like, that would make sense that he's just not Satoshi. Like, he would have access to, like, I think it's the private key is what he needs, and he just has never produced it. Not leaving. Y'all killing me? Yeah, that NFT could be worth some coin in the future. It easily could. Nice picks with AA. Yeah, a lot of people were getting some cool picks with Adam Aaron last night. I was trying to like all of those. That was pretty cool. All right, Ham, here we go. We're trying again here, buddy. AMC coming back up 2909. Here we go. TLT still on the upper trajectory, but SPY looks like it wants to go. Come on. AMC popping up. Here we go. Up 0.4. SPY just crossed 458, flickering around that level here. Day high on SPY 458.47. I know you guys probably don't care a whole lot about that, but I do because I'm trying to make some money on some calls. Check out Fuel Cell. Yeah, FCEL. Yeah, I can take a look at that one. SPY looks like it's trade inverse to it will trade inverse to that. Because that's volatility. TLT, what are you doing? How's Fuel Cell doing? How been they doing over the last couple of months? I mean, with the rip, yeah, this was probably infrastructure and then been coming down. Yeah, I mean, the last low was 576. So there is some downside here. Hmm. Interesting. All right, AMC very, very flat on the day right now. ATER making a little bit of a move. Oh, the confirmed naked shorts. Oh, there it is. ATER up 14 on the day here. Just a nice steady move up throughout the day. Oh, what's up, Berhe? How you doing? All right. What other news we got? Dubai plans futures contracts for Turkish lira. Interesting. Very interesting. I mean, the Turkey's been all right. TLT selling off. Come on, SPY, get a pop. TLT to 150. I hope so. That would be sweet. I want SPY to just go nuts. Come on, SPY calls. I still got mine. Hey, I still got mine too. Let's see what happens. They're slightly red now still, but let's see what happens throughout the remainder of the day. Problem is that they're dailies, so the theta is gonna get them. The theta's really coming in to get them. Like at this point, like a couple hours ago when I just got in with these price levels, they were up like a decent amount. But with right now, we're gonna need to see another big move like we saw here for those premiums to really inflate. AMC now down 5 cents. SPY looking for a little move here. Again, oops, hold on. This is the wrong thing. All right. So it's still around 458.11, 458.10 is where it would need to get to in order for the super trends to switch to buy. On AMC website at the bottom, let's put in your email and country. Yeah. All right. AMC down 9 cents. SPY chilling. TLT getting hammered, which is what we want to see. Mark, thank you so much for the super, bro. Wish going off. Kramer pump. Can this squeeze? CNBC pumps are decent. What is this? This? I thought it was like wish.com or something. I mean, it's going a little bit, but or text check on AMC, absolutely. Previously 17.58. I don't like how it flashes like that. All right, 17.57. No real change here. All right, AMC coming down a little bit here. SPY's just flickering around at these levels. TikTok, hedgy hunting season is about to unlock. Oh, that was a good one. That was a real good one there. All right, SPY's just freaking coiling. I just want it to go. Just get up there. Just get a couple of nice boom candles and we're gonna call it a day. Basketball. Why do people want to buy a stock that's going to get delisted? Because it may not actually get delisted. That's what happens sometimes with these Chinese stocks, Geo. Like they'll do it, they'll be like, oh, delisted, and then they're not going to actually do it. It's like delisting fears is really what happens a whole lot. Yep, Theta's coming out to play today. All right, TLT coming down, SPY coming up. We needed to break these levels right here to just go floop, and then we can get AMC going back up again too. But hood volume already 7 million hitting higher lows. That's not what I want to see out of Robinhood. I want to see Robinhood hit lower lows. I want Robinhood to hit a lot of lower lows because screw them. That's why. Geo, facts, dude. Very true. Oh, here comes SPY. Let's see. 458.10 is going to be a decent level here. Let's see if we can break. TLT not doing anything. SPY wants to go. AMC down 10 cents. Very, very flat on the day. Again, very slow day right now. Oh, SPY just got a pop. Here we go. Ham. Let's do it, buddy. It's our time to shine. It's our time to shine. 12, 17, $43 calls on AMC. Very, very risky. Be very, very careful. If you're going to put money into that trade, you, especially with any options trade, you got to be fully willing to lose all or most of that investment into the option because options are incredibly risky. That is a big move out of AMC. We could easily see it happen. But again, it could easily at the same time not happen. So be very, very careful. They're going to burn theta, then lunchtime pump. Hey, I'd be fine with that. I mean, these contracts are only down 5% now, which is fine with me. I'm fine with holding these and messing around because of the potential gains that I want to see. I have a bunch of these contracts too. I went a little big on this. Wow, I did go pretty big on this trade. Wow. And I still got a lot of cash balance left. Ooh, the afternoon could be fun, everybody. Yes, we are going to come back on 2 p.m. Eastern today. So make sure you guys are prepared. We are going to be back. SPY having some fun. AMC having some fun too. Only down 4 cents now. Hood is coming up. We don't want Hood to have any fun. We want them to have the least amount of fun in the overall market. Like literally the least amount of fun. All right, come on, SPY. I want SPY to break the new day high at, or the old day high at 458.47. That's what I want out of SPY. And I want TLT to just tank. That one's not important. SPY, what are you freaking TLT? Every single time we get some momentum, TLT is just like, nope. Short interest numbers today. Yeah, we can check that out. AMC Ortex data. We got 17.57% short interest. BFRI just melted faces. M. Kriegs, you are going to be a multi-millionaire with all of these trades that you got going. It's nuts. A scalp is just like a quick in and out trade for like a tiny amount of profit. You're not aiming for like a big hit. You're looking for the quick flip in and out. These freaking red candles on the SPY are just they're doing what they're gonna do. Let's see what happens. Down 3% on my SPY calls. Yeah, what am I down now? We were just down like 5%. Now we're down 19%. Still holding them though. What are we down now? 22. Let's see if we can get a little pop. TLT needs to stop doing what it's doing, and then we can get going again. But again, these sell-offs that we've seen, we're just making higher lows as we stair step our way up. So let's see if we can get a little bit of a volatile move to the upside, and then we're going to be chilling. I'm short Hood a lot. There you go, Caleb. 17% plus 100 Ortex. Yeah. Apple, what's going on with Apple? Apple having some fun today. Apple's not really caring what the overall market's doing a whole lot. AMC coming down 1.29, down 38 cents right now. TLT starting to come up. SPY is coming down now. Not so fun for these calls right now. AMC is still winning. We were down 6.5% in the pre-market. PS, bark like a dog. No, I will not be barking. All right. Let's see. Down 0.4. Apple having a day. How's GME holding up? Down in the 4 range. Yeah, 4.28. SPY trying to come back up. TLT being an a-hole. What do we got down here? Yes. All right. I mean, we switched to the buy indication on the super trend. So let's see what happens here. The last time we got that buy indication, it was a pretty big rip. The sells have been not very strong today. So let's see if this buy indication really gets us going to the upside. SPY is pissing me off. Me too, Caleb. I mean, me too. It just look like TLT is not helping us today. Bonds are not helping the SPY today. What are yields at right now? They're up still, but they're coming down a little bit right now. We need yields to continue to go up. Yeah, if yields continue to go down like this, SPY is gonna come down. Yeah, it did switch to buy, but let's see where the sell would be. The sell on it, yeah, it's about to hit the sell on it. So where is it? Yeah, it just hit it. SPY. Such a love-hate relationship. They're just eating the premium today. Yeah. Did 3 pip trades on my on SPY and made 1K. Yeah, how much are you trading with though? All right, let's see. AMC down now, down 50, down 1.7. SPY not having fun. RSI being at 60 had way to go long. RSI being at 60 on. I don't have the RSI up here. I think I might have it over here. No. All right, SPY's fighting. GME down 4.28. AMC down 0.43. All right, everybody. I think that's going to wrap up the morning stream. We are going to be back at 2 p.m. Eastern. So make sure you guys are prepared for that. And then we will get back to a night video tonight. So thank you to everybody who joined in on the stream today. You guys are awesome. We're having fun, trying to make some money on the side too. It's just not working out so far today. It could easily change the momentum in the direction, but let's see what happens. I'm going to go get some lunch, do some research, and then come back to you and see you guys a little bit later. So, everybody, TMI is live right now, so make sure you guys go over there and say hi. And drop some likes over here on the way out if you guys don't mind, and go over to TMI's and drop some likes on his stream as well. So peace, guys. I will see you guys in a couple of hours.